Helo. Dwi'n gwachio fi ddo? Weithiau, ydych chi'n gyd yn cadw yn y lew. Dwi'n just shef. Dwi'n rili angen shef. Welsh. Ydy, ydy. Na fo. Na fo. Oce. PS1, joia, PS1. So os ydych yn y chat, if you've got a specific or shout fel arall, I just dechrau chwarae rhywbeth. Efo'ch Tekken 3. Yeah. Changed my mind. Blip, 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 blip.
Round one, fight. You lose. Round two, fight.
No.
You win. Final
Ooh. Yes. That's the move.
You win.
Bring the sword to a fist fight.
Hello, hello.
Round
Hey,
one.
we're good job.
Fight.
Yeah, good job.
Couldn't be Steve Vinny bad.
Okay. I just roi'r Mike's bach yn agosach hefyd. Checio bod y... Yeah, dyle fe bod right now. Hello, hello. Yeah.
Oh, maybe the sign.
Yeah. Ti ddim yn mynd i just chwarae gemau fighting wyt ti?
Nah,
Achos
just...
bydd hwnna just yn horrible. Hwnna'n greu lot.
She literally
Dwi'n gweld
just...
ti'n chwarae Tekken, it's like, don't do that.
Dim y boi Tekken.
Oh my god, yeah, fi'n joio fe, ond fi just gyda teimlad ti'n mynd i bod yn shit hot arno fe. I just got that feeling. Wel, mae gemau ymlaen, ti gyda'r fel y pads a, you know, you take it seriously a ti'n dda dy fe, a fi ddim. Fi ddim.
Ie, dwi'n iwsio total legit PS1 controller yn y bryd cofio.
Wyt ti?
Na, dwi'n gwybod. Dwi wedi gwneud lot o purchases. Ie, na i newid ar ôl y ffeit yma.
Mae rhywun... That's so funny. Mae Geraint Hugh gyda'r 4-player Micro Machines military cart a'r Micro Machines Turbo Tournament 96 ar y Mega Drive. You know, mae dy fi un yn nhw.
Yeah.
A mae fe actually wedi tynnu llun a roi ar Twitter. Nes i dweud, oes dy ti'r un yma? A naeth i dweud, ie, mae dy fi, a naeth i tynnu llun, mae fe gyda inbox o'r dau. So, fair play to him.
Yeah. Iawn, oce.
So, beth... I suppose, yeah, na i cael controller. Mae dy fi, ddim legit, ond mae dy fi... Cofio'r PlayStation Classic, mae dy fi hwnna, sydd probably yr agosaf at legit fi'n mynd i cael, ond does ddim analog dy hwnna. You know, fel yr thumbstick things, so don't know if that's a good call neu beidio.
Mae'n rhan mwyaf, dwi'n chwarae lot o gwmpas o'r DuckStation yma, a D-pad i'r mwyaf stwff. Really, da.
Yeah.
So dwi'n gwybod os mae two players yn weithio ar y DuckStation yma, really. Ond ti'n mwyn cofio.
Oes na DuckStation? Oes ffordd o wneud DuckStation online then? Neu'r parsec job eto?
Parsec job. Os mae'n rhywbeth online ti a fi di installio sy'n gallu chwarae ni, dwi'n yffa chwarae hynna da.
Okay. Wel, o'n i'n gutted nes i bloody delete Streets of Rage 4 fi. Fi 20% fi di dechrau ail lawrlwytho hwnna.
Swn i'n gallu dechrau ail lawrlwytho hwnna fyd ti isio. Ond ia, mae'n wedi gymryd.
Ie.
Be, sy'n chdi di lawrlwytho yn barod o'n?
Spell. Okay. Ar Game Pass, mae dy fi...
Neu sy'n gallu chwarae 12 minutes mewn awran, fyny chdi. Sy'n gallu just yn hynna.
Okay, well, stim thing dy fi, you know, just dim fel rush dy fi o gwbl. Does dim ots pryd bynnag ti... Like, heno, does dim graig dy fi. Wel, mae dal graig dy fi. But mae hi'n gwneud rhywbeth o'r enw sleep-in. So, mae basically meddwl, mae'n cysgu yn ei gwaith, so just, you know... It's not the usual 10 o'clock clock off heddiw, so os ti eisiau mynd tan canol nos, it's potentially doable.
Be ti'n gwybod amdan 12 minutes? Y gem?
Dim byd, dim ond bod ti'n keen i chwarae fe, a bod yn rhyw fath o, like, escape rooms fi'n cael y teimlad o gweld y lluniau, bod chi angen gweithio mas sut i dianc o... Neu gweithio mas murder mystery, neu rhywbeth fel na.
Ie. Yeah. Be na i de, ydy... Oh god. Mae'n fel de. Mae'n fel de.
Ie, fi probably mwy mewn mood am game fel na lle i ni gallu
Ie.
kind of trafod, gweithio gyda'n gilydd co-op yn lle game lle, you know,
Ie.
just think ar ôl neithio'r hefyd, a fi blin o bach. So,
Na i cael trailer
yeah,
i 12
bach
minutes.
yn random hefyd.
A sut rhaid fi newid y sgrin ar y...
Ooh.
Ar yr... Disgwyl beth o cash sgrin. 1 minute.
Right.
Iawn. 12
Sorry,
minutes.
ti off y mynd yna, a just achos, am ryw reswm, dwi'n cael fel one bar ar, so, 1024 MS ping, neu,
That's it, yeah.
I don't know what that is. But, fi ddim yn gwybod pam, though, achos ma hwn wedi USB tethro, mae fe gyda full signal. Mae wedi gwella, yn syth.
Ideal.
Dim ond rhaid i fi siarad amdano fe.
Oedd yn gwybod beth i ddweud. Iawn, beth dwi'n mynd i ddweud ydy dwi'n mynd i stop streaming de.
Ie.
Dwi'n mynd i watch the trailer i gychwyn. I chdi cael vibe. Ti'n gweld y trailer yna? Dwi'n newid e. 12 minutes. Mae lot o pobl yn chwarae hwn lot, a yr argraff dwi'n cael dyd yma di, mwy am pobl chwarae fo llai maen nhw'n joio fo.
Okay.
So, dwi'n poeni chdig bach, ond dwi'n meddwl yn iawn. Chwarae efo'r hyn fel hyn, dwi'n meddwl iawn. Oce, ti'n gweld y sgrin, oed?
Ie.
So hwn di'r trailer.
Okay.
Cael hwn off YouTube, gyda llaw. Dwi'n gwybod dwi'n wedi cael yn...
Cool.
Pum nodyn o'r cast. Deud ydych chi ychel yn isel.
Okay.
I have a surprise for you.
Ma hwnna'n great.
You want to guess what it is?
This is an outfit for a newborn. You bought it this morning. You wanted to surprise me.
I'm sorry.
You're pregnant.
You know?
I know because you already gave it to me. This has happened before.
What are you talking about? What's going on?
Oh,
Someone is
God.
coming. He's going to hurt us. He says you killed your father. I need to know what happened.
Why are you doing this? My father died.
Died of a heart attack?
No, I didn't have anything to do with...
Any second now, he's gonna knock on that door. Help me.
This isn't happening. This can't be happening.
Police, open up.
That's him.
Did you call the police?
We have a warrant. Please open the door.
I didn't do anything.
We're here to help.
Don't listen to him. I'm your only chance.
Open the door right now.
You know me. I love you. You have to believe me.
Stop.
No.
Under arrest.
No.
Hey!
You're home. What are you doing? Are you okay?
Ooh. Hwna di'r gem.
Okay.
So, mae un trailer arall, de. Cast reveal trailer. Cos
Ie.
hwn ydy'r rheswm o pobl yn really... Hwn pan bod hwn di'r hype i gyd.
Right, okay.
All right, close your eyes. I want you to think of a flower. Look at its contours, its curves. Now I want you to imagine it changing, moving backwards. as a whole. Then silently repeat these phrases. May you be free from suffering. May you be free from fear. May you know peace and joy.
So those are pretty big names, isn't they?
Yeah, Trina and huge.
Ynddi. So, hynna di'r thing sy'n... A'i rhannu sgrin y gem yna chdi. So, o'r teulu yna, ti'n dall beth i'r gem?
Yeah.
So, mae chdi 8 munud... 8 munud, eich ti'n gwybod 8 o fanna. 12 munud loops.
Yeah.
So, os ti ddim yn sortio fo'n 12 munud, mae dechrau eto. So, so da eisiau ffigur allan sut i... So, rhaid i chdi wneud bod dim mewn 12 munud, ond obviously mae 12 munud yn repeatio.
Yeah.
So...
Okay.
Ond hynna dwi'n rili gwybod hefyd. Dwi heb di bod yn gwachio lot o Let's Plays o hwn oherwydd mae math o game ti'n gwachio Let's Play, mae'n spoilio fan di.
Okay. A fi di danfon draw ti OBS Ninja os
Iawn, oce, ie.
Just, you know,
Cool ti.
lang ti.
Os dwi'n math o sgrim pwysio. Shit, ta.
Okay.
Na fel da, copi da. Na fel da. Cool ti. Browser. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, bydd angen cropio fe chydig, but yeah.
Sydd. Cool ti. Oi! Na, tyna. Ond o'n... Fydd fideach na fideos fanna. Okay, na fe, na fe, na fe.
Yeah.
Na fe. On the fly, yeah.
Yeah, os unrhyw issues,
Ddyla fi...
ti'n hi delay fi.
Newid yr categori hwn i fideo... video editing. Y holl video editing.
Yeah!
Really.
Yeah, mae'n diddorol. Mae lot o
Look.
pobl gyda diddordeb dysgu am stuff yna. Hey,
Celici.
come on, Emrys, falle gawn ni hate raid heddiw. Be chi'n meddwl am hwnna? Lot o fuss yn dwi?
Ie, beth yw'r... Dwi'n gwachad boi ma... Ti'n bod i Zaffa Cakes?
Na. But go on.
Boi ma sy'n... Boi ar Twitch. Mae o'n chwarae...
Yeah.
Ond dwi'n mynd... Mae'n chwarae lot o... Be mae'n dweud? Mae'n chwarae... Comedian ydi o. Ac ystod Covid oedd o'r siarad trefod gwahanol. So mae'n chwarae po ifo soccer hen. A mae o'n smario bod y manager. A neud... So,
No way.
a mae'n reid cool. So bod ni'n neud yn rip-off a hwnna ni'n neud o'r thing rygbi fi. A...
Yeah.
Oedd o'n mynd i bach yn llai. Oedd o'n siarad o'i am hatred. So, dyn nhw'n... yn thing.
Yeah, fi'n credu mae ambell i berson di cael a mae fe'n cael effaith ar y rai really bach hefyd. So,
Cos nath o rwy'n random. Nath o rwy'n random. Polio fi. Pan eisiau dechrau'r stream. So,
Right.
be dwi wedi gwneud ydi... Dwi am... Wyt ti ar Twitch?
Ydw.
Ti'n logged in wan? Oedd o'n chwarae?
Dylen ni fod.
O, cos ti'n mod i fi.
Ond fi'n hostio ti, ydw i? Fi'n hostio, achos mae yn chwarae, ni'n hostio'r channel chi,
does
pan
i-
chi ar, so, yeah.
Os i hwnna, de. Os dwi'n cael hit... Os dwi'n cael hit... thing.
Okay. Na i trio sort o fe'n sydd.
Ie,
Sa'n gwybod sut,
ti yn
but
mod
yeah.
fi. So, gwni
Okay.
weld. I just cael y stream, ys dim di neud. Ond ie.
Yeah.
Rhywbeth i ni wedi watchad allan amdan. Iawn, oce, game.
Yeah. Go on in.
Easy Ridley. Heblaw amdan Star Wars, dim di rhaid yn byd arall na ddo.
Nah. Willem Dafoe, though.
Yeah.
You know.
The Thinking Man's Christopher
Being the
Walken.
holiday. Being the holiday, you know. Mor bwysig.
I fi,
Mor
I
bwysig.
fi
yn y
de, fod
ffilm
i
yma.
the thinking man's Christopher Walking, de fi.
Yeah. A Green Goblin.
Ie.
Tiod. Rhaid chi dweud am y stuff yna. Mae di bod mewn cwbl o bethau, yn dyw e?
A'r y ffilm na am Iesu, lle mae yn cael amseroedd o prostitutes. Bydd un y ffilm na.
Oh.
Sgwyd hwnna? Yna 90au cynnar. Oedd o'n gwneud, oedd
Dwi'n meddwl.
Ie, oedd o'n...
Oh.
Mae cyn yr intro, mae'n chweithio. So, dwi'n meddwl
Neil.
un o'r tros gyntaf yma fydden ni yn ffeilio, obviously.
Oh,
Ond da eisiau pico stwff fyny.
Ie. Okay.
Os dwi'n cofio iawn, ti'n gwneud stwff certain ffordd a fel a ti dysgu. Gael i weld.
Right, okay. Cool.
Mae ar y Game Pass. Sy'n cool.
Oh.
So,
Yeah, mae hwnna'n really handy.
yndi. Hwn a Road... Na, nes i brynu Road 96. Nes i orffan hwnna os dwytha. Iawn.
Sut oedd e? Nes i ddim orffen ar stream, ddo?
Na, ddo. Nes i orffan... O'n i'n teimlo... O, hwnna'n ei sens. O'n i'n meddwl... Oce, mae hwn wedi chwarae o gwmpas.
Right.
O, dyma gadael i fi... O,
Keep changes, da ni.
o. Pause window. Subtitles, oes, language. Controls. Yeah, okay. Iawn, but... Continue, dwi'n di dechrau to.
O, ne.
Dwi heb di dechrau. Alla just...
No.
Os yn pausio yn rheswm ydy dwi'n clicio allan o'r sgrin.
Ah, right. Yeah.
Nhw wedi volume y gem bach uwch. Just...
Yeah, please.
Cos ti...
Wel, fi ddim yn disgwyl hwn fod yn well na Toonstruck, but you know.
No
Sorry,
comment.
but-
No
Go on.
comment.
Na i roi fy hun ar mute am eiliad, okay? Just am eiliad.
Ie.
I cymryd y galwad yma'n gyflym wrth e.
Ah, okay.
Locked. Shit. Forgot my keys. Hope that spare set's still in the plants. Oh, these are for the front door. It's locked.
Huh?
It's locked. Oh, these are for the front door. Hey, babe. I'm home. Love you.
I'll be out in a second.
I don't have anything to ask right now.
I didn't hear you come in. Best night ever. Guess who made dessert? Let me know when you're in the mood.
in the mood. School. Neu nôl mewn eiliad. Bang. Morgan ar y call. Yma. Darllen magazine. Tinder Power. Come on, where hwn di'r Nintendo Power gyntaf erioed. Reit, cool. Well, into the pros. £8.85 play. Ydw, mae'n costio. Super Mario. It's back in action. Learn how to jump in 3 different ways. Wait, squat down. The World of Dreams. Mae'n spoiler. Massive spoiler. Mario yna. Overalls glass. T-shirt coch. Overalls. Oh yeah. Caps are yna. Quality. O'r lluniau. Nuts, Mid-boss. Twitter. Just for the fan art yma. Deviant art a beth. Oh, 1-1. Dim o'ch gandol yn brysur da. I don't call.
Sorry, Emrys.
Hey,
Sorry,
so?
Emrys, right.
Dwi
Yeah, good.
wedi bod yn darllen Nintendo Power. Na ti'n...
Oh, amazing.
No.
Amazing. Love it.
Eiddo, I'm eisiau chi fythu fo. Iawn. O, dwi'n gael Nintendo Power off.
Good.
Ges i...
My,
Ie.
go on.
Na, sy'n gwneud.
O, nes i gweld, o ti di banio rhywun, so
Do.
fi wedi colli'r hwyl a sbrif yna, sorry,
Na.
worst mod ever.
Be nes i, oedd nes i googlo y boi, y googlo'r account. Dyna stio, ond dda. Yna Twitter thread yn notio holl hate red bots. Ac oedd o'n dal yn actif, so dwi wedi reportio fo. Nath o'n neud yn byd.
Oh, good.
Ond,
Na.
so oedd o'n, nes i, oedd o'n popio fyny. So dwi wedi banio fo, a mae o'n, so, Iawn. Ond ddim eisiau chdi mythu'n byd. So yn y beth dwi'n neud, no gorau tŷ, a dwi'n y tŷ fan. A mae hi di dweud, mae yna pwdin special hynna.
Ooh, lovely.
So mae hi'n dweud mae'n special evening. So da eisiau dewis fan. What's the reason for such a special evening? To tell her it's a good time for the dessert.
Yeah, achos o'n i wedi gweld o'r trailer cyn chwarae nawr,
Yeah.
o mae hi'n mynd i dweud bod hi'n feichiog, so Pwynt yw, os ni gyda 12 munud, ydyn ni eisiau trio cyflymu pethau, neu ydyn ni eisiau mynd syth i'r pwynt, neu...
Ie, ddim yn bo. Ond illa sy'n sydd i pwynt yn hyd fast. So, 3 opsiwn, 2 cwestiwn, ta just gadael conversation. So, pa un...
Oh.
Tell it's a good time for dessert, really. Because, what's the reason for special evening? So chi'n dweud, bet, ti'n cofio. Ti'n
Yeah. Go on, good time.
Buy this dessert.
Just give me 1 second.
Okay.
Ow.
Ooh.
Gotta get this fixed, babe. Someone's gonna get hurt.
Fi'n dilyn hi. Troi'r golau off. Oh, Jesus. Ni di marw'n barod.
Whoa, hey. Are you okay?
Beth dyna
I
byd.
was wearing shoes, right?
No kidding. I'm glad you're okay.
Okay.
You know what? I think I've lost my appetite.
O, diolch Beth.
Dim yn bai fi, na di?
Na. Mae dal yn rhoi stuff mas ar y bwrdd, so
Ie.
pam wedi dweud lost my appetite, pam ddim yn just rhoi nhw heibio?
So, just...
What's the occasion?
Just felt like it.
Let's talk later.
Yeah, good.
Ydyn ni Starboard?
Falle trwy'r... O na, o'n i'n meddwl bod y tap and dripian just yn disgleirio ma fe. Yeah, dim byd yn stopio ti rhag bwyta.
No.
Point. Point tig. Mae hi'n darllen rhyw llyfr.
Nes nhw'n blin o fi oedd. Am sy'n flin o fi?
Oedd bach yn weird. Ie, achos o ti di brifo dy hunain gyda'r golau, oedd hi ddim di roi'r golau off. Oh. Fi di clywed rhywbeth. Na. O na, just drws nesaf falle oedd yna.
Na siarad o fi, to?
Yeah, go on. Eistedd drws nesaf hi falle.
O, ie.
I don't have anything to ask right now. What you reading?
Oh, it's not
Cymryd
really your
llyfr hi.
thing.
Oh.
Yeah,
tell me.
na.
You're gonna make fun of me. It's a book of meditations. Zen
Okay.
stuff.
Yeah,
Mae
it's
hwn yn
not
Got.
gweithio. Oh.
Hmm?
Right.
Dim flin o fi.
Guess who has 2 thumbs?
Oedd
and
hi...
another
Na,
foot?
oedd hi ddim mor flin tro yna.
I don't have anything to ask right now.
Yeah.
Dwi wedi just gymryd ffôn i.
Ffôn hi. Yeah. Edrych, clicio ar... No, messages. Yn amlwg dyna beth ti angen ei gyntaf, Emrys. Messages. Okay, dim byd diddorol. O, dyma problem. Pobl drwg, na, pai gadael hi. Pai gadael hi, ewch fanna. O,
Please.
o, just gadael hi.
What? Me?
Yes, you. Hands behind your back. Let's go. Hold still.
Fi ddim yn credu taw heddlu ydyn nhw.
Hey! What is going on? Help me! Will you come help me?
Emergency services.
There's a man in my
Well, who'll
apartment
come
who's
help
trying to
you?
kill us.
Sending a unit right now. Should be there within
Someone
15
is here.
minutes.
I don't know.
O, na, 15 munud.
No.
15 minutes.
Sir,
Babe,
they're heading your way right now. Get to a safe
this is a
place.
misunderstanding.
Ydw i'n mynd allan? Ydw i'n mynd at...
Look,
Well-
I don't know.
Dwi'n teimlo fel, os ti ddim yn neud rhywbeth,
Talk this out.
ti...
You're making a mistake.
Gyda chdi rhywbeth mewn fanna? Na.
You can't do this.
Don't fucking move.
Please, listen.
Now you,
Oh?
This
hands
is
behind
more
your back,
complicated
please.
than you think.
Na.
Come on, don't.
Please.
O, na.
Allai...
Gwybod taw ddim cop yw e. Grab sy'n spoon, ie, yeah, spoon o fe. O, ddim spoon o fe. Ond,
Oh, knife!
Ti angen mynd i nôl... O, knife,
Oh.
dyna ti. Daro. Wel, ni'n gwybod tro nesa.
You're under arrest for your
Ni ddim
father's
yn mynd i
murder.
gweld yn lladd ni, ydyn ni?
You're under arrest for your father's murder.
Hwna ddim yn neud synwyr.
No. That can't be right.
Come on.
Shut up. You
Wyt
know
ti'n
what
gallu
this
fel
is.
rolio neu neud
Where's your
rhywbeth?
father's watch?
Gweld os ti'n gallu clicio ar stuff.
Please, you must be thinking of someone else.
Na,
Don't fucking move.
that's it. Here you go.
Oh!
Oh, wow.
Jesus
Oh?
Christ. What?
O, nôl i'r dechrau nawr.
No, the fucking Kit Kat, can you?
Ie. Be dyle ti neud? Roi'r cyllell yn y... O, you're on it. Ie, roi yn y cwpwrdd o'n i'n mynd i ddweud.
I didn't hear you
Oh.
come in. Best night ever. Guess who made
Oh.
dessert? Let me know when you're in the mood.
Didn't you already say that?
What?
I don't know. What? But no. I was just. How is this possible?
Ie, roi'r cyllell yn ei pwrs. Leave conversations. Fi credu mae'r siarad yn bach yn...
Yeah.
Let's
Tell
talk
her
later.
it's a good time for dessert. Ie,
Dwi'n
just
dwi trio that.
O, cyflymu'r proses. Mae fel butterfly effect scenario. So, ie, yeah, falle os ti'n cyrraedd y pwynt...
I forgot to call the landlord about the light switch. Mind doing that tomorrow?
Pwy wnaeth dweud am y killer forever?
Dwi'n trio...
Yes.
You serious? Ti'n lladd Greg? Ti'n nutter, Emrys.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Ti'n absolutely...
I didn't.
A nes i eisiau gwybod beth sy'n digwydd.
Emrys,
O'n i'n gwybod... O'n i'n gwybod...
Ti'n psychopath.
O'n i'n gwybod sy'n action gael neud, do?
Ti'n psychopath. Jesus Christ. Nid blimmin' broken sword yw hwn, lle maen nhw'n dweud, I don't think that's a good idea. Nid George Stobart yw hwn, right? Oh my god, na pa i gwasgu fe to?
Ie.
Okay.
Ond gyda'r boi drwg. Ww, beth yma? O. Beth sy'n y ventilation?
Can't open that with just my hands.
O. Bloody knife.
A knife. Jesus Christ.
Sy'n byd yn fyna.
Ti methu ffitio fyna. Falle ti gallu roi'r cyllell fyna, though. Cael ei cuddio'r evidence, neu rhywbeth.
Pills.
I've been so mad.
Ah, dwi wedi bad... I've done a bad thing yma, do.
Wel ie, ti di lladd y raig.
O'n i eisiau gwybod beth i'n darllen. Yma. Alla i just cael ei
So
ffwrdd.
nes ti stab o... O, ti'n gallu mynd mas nawr o'r
Ie.
lle.
Wy.
Wel, pam lai? Go on.
Wait.
Ah!
Go on.
Hey. Hey, babe.
What the hell? Beth yw'r problem?
Dwi'n meddwl hwnna diwedd hwnna.
Okay, well,
Be ni eisiau digwydd o fyna?
then?
Be ni eisiau gweld o fyna oedd... Os oedd y boi drwg... Mae boi drwg yn dod yn di. So, dwi eisiau nôl y knife ma, ie.
Ie.
De.
Dyle ti wedi cuddio gyda hwnna. Ddim gyda hi,
Ond o'n i...
ond yn y cwpwrdd, y roi yn y bag.
Who made
Ie,
dessert?
ond o'n i eisiau gwybod be fysa boi drwg yn deud pan mae'n gweld hi di marw.
Sorry. Thanks. That sounds great.
Oh, right.
Oedd o'n i trawn yn deud, yes! Neu, no!
Okay, okay.
So, there's a method. Dim Daxter,
You're
dwi.
psycho. Yeah, she's a psycho. She's a psycho.
Look, I know this.
Ia, neu ofyn stwff iddi.
But the day's repeating itself.
Uh-huh.
Groundhog Day. Uh-huh.
I haven't figured out how this all works yet, but for example, if I leave the apartment, I immediately go back to the start of the evening.
Oh, that's convenient.
Okay.
Paid wneud hwnna to. Ni
Yeah.
di dysgu rhywbeth.
Worse people to be stuck with than your loving wife.
Oh.
She's pretty hot.
Babe,
Oes dal dy
babe,
tir
I
cyllell?
don't-
O, si stab i eto.
Na, please paid. Roi e yn y bag.
Great, let's see it.
Pam siarad yn y ban?
Achos pam ti'n cuddio... Oh my god, Streets of Rage 4 di install, o, hwnna'n good. Anyway, os ti'n rhoi yn y bag, yn barod, pam mae'r boi yna'n dod...
Ie, mae gynna fi, ond sti. Mae jyst gynna fi, wan.
Oh.
So,
Okay.
Bas.
Okay, oh yeah, ma'n wir. It's cadw ar dy gorff. Yeah.
o, dwi'n gan profi di, tre.
What is it?
Let's see.
A fel un dwi'n profi di.
O na, please pa lladdu to.
Yeah,
Dwi'n meddwl hynna'n bwysig.
Okay, good talk.
Okay,
let me try something else. Let's see.
O, na, illa ddim.
okay.
What do you got?
Ie, sgynna fi ddim byd yn gys.
The bedroom light switch.
No.
It's got some wiring issues. When you turn it on and off twice, it gives you a hell of a shock.
Ooh.
Oh, we gotta fix that thing. Any other?
So,
Let's see.
ydyn ni'n gallu twyllo'r boi drwg efo hwnna?
Okay.
Twice.
Oh, so neud e unwaith a gadael e roi e ar a mynd i...
Dwi'n gadael yn data fo.
What do you got?
The wiring in the bedroom light switch.
Yeah, we've been over this. What else you got?
Let's see.
Let's see.
Beth
Beth am
dwi'n sta-
mynd yn y fridge?
Dwi'n mynd i bod yn ffridges yna. Dwi'n bod hwn yn dead end, dwi'n. Dwi'n allan. Ta. Ta.
Ie, achos
Oh,
ni...
fuck me, are you
Mae'r
serious?
12 munud, mae'n rhaid i ni bod
Ie.
yn really gyflym.
Iaw, dwi'n mynd o'r ffôn gynta.
Okay. Pam ti ddim yn ffonio 911 nawr? So by the time mae'r boi yn dod, bydd ti'n sorted.
Emergency services.
Tell me what...
There's somebody
Oh,
breaking
no.
into my apartment. He's got a gun and he's gonna kill me and my wife.
Sending a unit right now. Get to a safe
Brilliant.
place.
All right, when will they get here? He's almost inside.
They should be there in 15 minutes.
15 minutes? We can't wait 15 minutes.
Sir, officers will be there as soon as possible. Get to a safe place.
Ie, oce.
Okay.
Helo. O. Ooh.
Oh,
I didn't hear you come in.
hello.
Best night ever. Guess who made dessert?
Fuck, dwi'n eisiau dessert chdi.
Okay.
Na.
Iawn, dwi'n dweud hwn off a gone unwaith. Cos mae hwnna'n teimlo'n
Just
bwysig.
unwaith. Yeah,
Off. Na fo.
there you go.
Dwi eisiau cael hi yn y... Dwi eisiau hi yn y...
Yn y gwely, go on, dweud e.
Ie.
Ti eisiau hi yn y gwely? Ah,
Next 2 minutes, a
Everett.
cop is gonna knock on a door.
What are you talking about?
Tell her. Cop.
The cop, he's gonna accuse you of killing your father.
What? My dad had a heart attack. You sound crazy,
Oh
dude.
dear.
Ie. Could
Could you leave the
Please don't
apartment?
open that
Oh,
door.
bydd hwnna'n
Why?
mes o fel an though,
Why?
falle. Falle os mae hi'n gadael, wedyn ti jyst ar ôl gyda'r boi arall yna.
Or could you
Wedyn
leave
ti'n
a
gallu
patent?
cuddio-
This is...
Yeah.
No, I'm serious. Please, don't open that door. It's important.
This isn't funny, babe.
Oh god.
Don't open the door.
Come on, babe.
Just trust me.
Okay. I
Oh
won't.
god.
Oh, thank you.
Nes ti nôl y cyllell, by the way, yeah?
Let's talk later.
O, ie. Ti ddod... I come to my round of thinking, wan.
Na.
Ie,
Na, fi jyst yn meddwl. Na. Na. No way. Fi ddim eisiau ti lladd. Fi jyst yn meddwl.
Just cael y cyllall.
Yeah.
Sleeping pills.
Ooh.
Ooh, ooh.
Rhaid i hi cysgu a drago hi i'r thing,
Oh.
ie. Roi yn
Na-
diod hi. Drygo hi, sleeping pills, a wedyn rhoi hi
Na,
yn
na,
y
na, na,
gwely.
na, na, no.
Mae gyd am yr amseru nawr.
These pills pack a fucking punch.
Ydw'n
Rhoi
dweud...
ei hi. Rhoi ei hi. Just feed dyma ti.
O, ie.
Nes ti roi dŵr? Ti angen roi dŵr?
I'm not thirsty anymore, but thanks.
Oh, bloody hell. Oh, rhaid ti dechrau eto fi'n credu.
Na, wel, fel.
12 munud. Mae rhaid i hi bwyta y calau.
Oce, dwi'n
Neu
mynd...
ffynnu... Go on. Just gorffodi hi.
Is evening?
Okay. There we go. So, go on.
O!
I'm stuck in a time loop.
So there's a cop and
Y llyfr.
Yes.
Gee.
Dwi'n gwybod beth mae llyfr i amdan.
I'll prove it.
Zen.
Yeah, great. Let's see it. Wow me.
Let's see.
Excited to get my mind
Oh.
blown.
Wait.
What is it?
Do it.
You know what? Forget it.
Great.
Ie. Bydd yn y ventilation stuff yma.
Okay.
Si agor hwnna.
Ddim byd fanna.
Ond ni'n gallu agor o ddo.
Yeah.
Doing?
Roi rhywbeth fanna.
Man, is it like super
Ond beth?
close in there?
O, drugs, windows yma.
The storm's getting
Oh.
closer.
Hmm.
Dwi eisiau yfad hwnna oes.
Yeah. Alright, ti'n neud yn gynt, fi'n credu.
Ie.
Gyda'r pills. O na, oedd y peth cyntaf o rhaid i ti'n neud, so just reset, bydden ni'n dweud. Unless ti eisiau dysgu rhywbeth...
O,
trwy
ma' 'na rywun yn dod.
gad- O, just cuddio fan hyn, then.
Dwi'n mynd i gwely.
Yeah.
Eitha boi fewn.
Is that him?
O.
Oh, is it? Oh, that's him, isn't it? Just let's take.
Come on, I know.
Tell us...
Na, ddim... Oh my god.
No, you're
Fi ddim
home.
fel
Open
beth
the
ti'n
door.
siarad am.
Let's stay quiet. Maybe he'll go away.
Oh my god, sy'n ti? Oh my god.
Turn around, please.
Dwi'n i gwely.
Me?
Yes, you. Hands behind your back. Let's go.
Just, yes, stab o fe.
Rhaid fel y ddif yma gyntaf fydd.
Yeah,
Dwi'n cael dragio hwnna.
yn barod. Ti'n methu drago fe ddo, i ti eto?
Will you come help me?
Gyfle. Ond mae'n rhoi golau ymlaen. Galeg rhoi golau ymlaen gynta.
O, na, chdi yn iawn.
Rhaid grif.
So, oce, so dwi eisiau nôl... Nôl cwpan.
Cwpan gynta, peth cynta. Y pills gynta, actually.
Mug.
Cwpan gynta,
Na,
ie.
ie, allai ni'n acos mae hi yn... Efo. Dwi'n di llen fein.
Mug. Unless mae... Llenwi'r mug, ie. A nawr mynd i'r pill dro i cael yr...
Na, dwi eisiau...
Not now.
Ddim nawr.
Rude.
Dos yma, dos yma.
Rude.
Ie, dwi'n tos yma bywyd chdi.
Ie, mae'n bwysig bod ti yn... Rhoi'r pil yn y dŵr. Boom. Nawr rhoi hi dŵr.
Mi eisiau dŵr oes.
Dŵr. Ydi.
Guess who has two thumbs?
Sht.
Remember to pay the electric bill today.
Shut up. Just have yn y dŵr. Oh god. Okay.
Ei gola on.
Na, cael y ffôn. Mae'r ffôn yn anfodol. O bwysig.
So, hwnna. O, mae'n ventilation stuff o fyna. Oce, dwi'n... Oce.
Cael... Ti'n gwybod bydd rhaid cael y ffôn. Ond fi ddim yn siŵr nawr, achos os 15
O,
munud...
o, thanks. Ie, dwi'n meddwl... Dwi'n eisiau ffyn y cops, dwi'n meddwl.
Na. Okay.
O, na.
I just...
Na, gaf i drwath. Ww.
O, ti angen llusgo hi i...
So be...
Falle yn y cwpwrdd.
O'n i'n meddwl, os na reid yn y bedroom.
Ie, a wedyn bydd e'n troi'r golau ar
Ie.
a
Tired, Olive.
knock out y fe.
Dwi'n rhaid mwy o...
Oh yeah.
Just gonna lie down for a
Overdose.
A ddim i hi, illa fod y plusman yn fatha... I need... Oh,
Di angen diod. Okay.
don't mind me just putting...
O, mae'n mynd fan'na anyway i'r gwely.
Yndi, so, a'i gwely... Efo i wande.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
mae'n...
Emrys boy. Dark horse. Go on.
A stabio i.
Oh god.
Dim fel ti ddim eisiau gwely.
Be, stabio pobl?
Na ci, ffordd mi. Iawn. Oce.
Emrys, di swnio bach yn rapey fan hyn.
Na. Ffordd i'n gorfod ar y gwely na.
Oh yeah.
O, na.
Ddim hyd yn oed ochr hwnna.
Na, paid y polis. No.
Na. Be sy'n digwydd ma? Ma pai mynd?
Na, swe.
Okay.
I know you're home. Open the door.
Okay. Diddorol. Okay, mas I gael e.
Stabio fo.
Stab o fe? Mae'n bach yn dramatic. Go on. Go on and stab o fe.
O, na.
He's just pat.
Gymryd y gun o fe.
Ia, fel a de. Ffôn de. Wan de, swe.
Not handcuffing yourself.
Na, swe.
A handcuff him. I've tried. Yeah, there we go.
He's already handcuffed.
Okay.
Okay, ffôn fo.
Need I fe nawr.
Ffôn fo di hwnna.
Okay. Bumblebee.
What? Oh, you little shit.
Na ddim hwnna.
O,
Health
ch- ch-
insurance, na.
Life. One chance. Let me go right now.
Na.
Son of a bitch. I was gonna leave you out of this. And now you've got this coming.
Hi, Drws. Yeah. Cloia, Drws, falle?
Oh, no!
Oh, what are you doing, boy?
Oh!
Oh, mor agos. Oh. Wel, ni ddim yn gwybod os ni'n agos I fod yn deg, ond...
Okay. So, dwi'n fod yn sy'n hynna, does? Mae hyn yn thing, yndi?
Yeah, ni definitely... Ni'n neud cam un. Bendant.
So, dwi'n eisiau sefyll chdi.
I didn't hear you come in. Best night ever. Guess who made dessert? Let me know when you're in the mood.
Oh, come on then. Pwy sydd wedi wneud?
Okay.
Pudding. Pudding rice is very nice. Beth?
Drugs.
Right.
Drugs yn y cwrg.
Drugs, mug, dŵr.
Drugs
Drugio
dŵr.
hi.
We gotta clean that closet.
They just make it work.
Okay.
Sorry.
Na'n eisiau chdi, eisiau hi. Okay.
Yeah.
So...
Ma' cael y
O,
drug.
na, dwi eisiau neud hyn. So, sut ydw i yn...
Eto. Ti'n rhoi y dŵr gyda'r drugs arall I wneud e'n cysglyd? Yn ei ceg? Does dim byd fan'na. It's weird. Ww, beth sydd yn y dro?
Dwi'n ffôn, does?
Oes.
Ni allan y messages yn y ffôn.
Yeah.
Yn gofio ar ffôn i. So dwi'n gandall.
Was anything missing or out of place? The apartment looked the same to me.
So tired all of a sudden.
Hey, baby.
O, ie.
down for a sec. We'll talk later.
Okay.
Okay.
Whatevs.
Cer amdani. Cer amdani, babes. Right, so beth ni'n neud nawr? Ni'n gwybod, ond oedd e'n eitha good. Fi jyst yn teimlo mae rhaid i chi cael y drugs yn ceg fe neu rhywbeth, ond mae rhaid i ni arafu, achos mae fe fel ble mae'n hitman, so mae fe'n gwybod ei stuff. Oes modd rhoi y drugs yn y plat o fwyd, and then gorfodi fe i bwyta fe?
These pills are huge. I should dissolve them.
Okay, dissolve them in a dŵr then, I suppose. Ond, I don't know. Mae hwn yn tricky yn dyw e. Right.
Yn just gadael na fanna. Window, counter.
Fi ddim yn credu mae hwnna'n mynd i gweithio. Ei.
O, na, dwi eisiau cuddiad, yma maes.
Yeah.
Nes i roed y switch on?
Ti di wneud y thing switch wyt ti?
Nes i to yma?
Fi'n credu nes ti pan nes ti wneud y thing ventilation ar ôl. Fi ddim yn cant y cant, though.
Now we wait.
Now we wait. So, 4 munud. A 5 munud.
So mi o'n dod 5 past.
Pob tro.
Yeah.
Okay. So, oes ffordd o ti edrych beth sydd yn dy itinerary ni feddwl wrth i fe mynd trwy'r...
Na,
thing?
mae'n
So,
just...
plat. Ie.
So, rwan, da ni eisiau ffôn o darllen messages o gyd, ie. I wybod pam.
Ie. Aha, yes. Yes.
So, da ni'n gwybod sydd wedi cael pethau fo.
There we go. Care. Handcuffs.
So, plan fi, de. Ie. So, pan mae'n codi, pwynt y gwn yna fe, ie?
Ie.
Ie?
Dyna chi syniad. Ie.
Pam dwi'n dau set o handcuffs? Dwi'n eisiau... No.
Fi yn wyndro
Ia,
os mae'n well i ti just
darllen...
safety...
Dwi'n mynd i allan ffôn o'n. Health insurance. Trust me dad, I'm stressed too.
Problem. A gun.
Tell him about the cop.
Sending a unit right
Let me
now.
go right now.
Sir, get to a safe place.
Na, gun.
A gun?
Don't.
Oh my god!
Jesus Christ. Stop. I'm not fighting you. What do you want?
Watch.
Beth oedd y watch?
Daughter's illness.
Your daughter is sick. Don't you fucking say another word.
Oh.
Be loose now.
What are we being accused of exactly?
You really have no idea, do you? 8 years ago,
No.
she murdered her
I've
father
only
in cold
Govin.
blood.
Why would she possibly do something like that?
Money, jealousy, a million reasons. You should ask her.
Ta beth os oedd rhaid i chi handcuffo hi,
What makes you think
Emrys?
she did it?
Of course she did it. Same gun, same room. It's obvious.
How
Pwy
did your
sy'n
father-
crio yn y cefndir?
Dwi'n meddwl allan, dio.
Shot him. Christmas Eve
Oh,
8
okay.
years ago. Didn't kill him though.
Oh, cath.
Then on New Year's Eve, she came back and finished the job. 2 shots.
So,
Range.
yn y time loop am, gallwn ni ofyn hyn iddi hi, lle.
Calling
Yeah.
ambulance.
Why are you still after her? It's been so long.
I never stopped looking. Finally got a tip. Pointed me here.
Who gave you the tip?
The pocket watch she stole, she tried to sell at pawn shop owner.
Oh.
Let us know.
Why do you want the watch?
Shit. I need a doctor.
Yeah, I'll say. And I'm gonna hurt you again if you make me. The watch, come on.
Fuck. Fucking watch. You have any idea what that thing is worth?
Money? That's what this is about? You'd murder us for money?
You really don't know.
No.
Na.
Your wife,
Dweud
her
wrthyn ni.
father, closest thing to family I ever had.
You knew him?
Knew him. He taught me everything I know. He was good to me
Oh.
when no one else was, and that monster murdered him.
You knew her father, right?
Yeah. He was good to me. Taught me a lot. I owe him this. Now, will you please untie me?
Hey, I'm sorry I hurt you, but I'm innocent. I just found out about all this. I don't have anything to do with it. It's all her fault, so
Whoa.
leave me out of this.
Mae'n gutless yn dyw e.
Before
Oh
you
my
fucking
God.
tortured me. Let me go. Right now.
Na.
Na, neith e regi.
Na.
Neith e regi, so.
Just let me go. Okay?
Edrych trwy'r... Pwy ti ffonio nawr?
Sir,
Who did you see?
is on the way. Officers will be there soon.
It's too long.
They will arrive as soon
Na,
as possible.
hwnna jyst yn
So
gwastraffu
get to a safe
amser.
place.
Pam ti ddim yn edrych am fwy o wybodaeth trwy'r text messages?
Nes i, no, nes i darllen.
Need. I'm gonna die.
Ond y mwy oedd e?
Ie. Eisiau pres. Ww.
I won't tell anyone.
Ffynnu merch fo. Ffynnu merch fo.
Oh, Dad, the movie's about to start. I'll call you back later. I told you to call me earlier. Love you.
No more
Hwnna
questions for
eitha
that.
second, ie.
Please.
Oes na ffordd y ti roi rhyw fel...
I have it on.
Oh, Emrys, ti yn sick.
Be?
Nes i just stab o fe?
Do! A ta fewn i tŷ fi?
Yeah, but... Okay. Fi'n credu, dylech chi defnyddio handcuffs ar hi. As fi'n dechrau...
O, dwi eisiau chwilio am y watch ma, oes?
Ie, ond na, handcuffs gynta. Handcuff o hi, Emrys. Mae hwnna di torri nawr, so forget
You are
that.
not handcuffing yourself.
Handcuff. Na, handcuff o hi. What the heck? 10 munud.
What?
Ah!
Oh, god damn it. God damn it.
Iawn, so ddys eisiau chat efo hi, wan oes?
Yeah.
Da eisiau ffeindio'r watch ma hefyd.
Yeah.
O!
Dro falle.
Ie.
A ti'n gallu cuddio hwnna yn y ventilation thing yna?
Ww, dwi'n trwy dillad.
Cyflym? Yeah, so what? There we go. Rhywbeth hwnna. Na.
O!
Present. Hello?
I didn't hear
Ti'n
you
y gwely
come
ti be?
in. Best night ever. Guess who made dessert? Let me know when you're in the mood.
Yeah, I will.
O, ti angen cael y cwpan i gallu...
Is this a present for me?
Oh?
You weren't supposed to find that. Thanks for not opening it, I guess.
O, sydd... O'n i'n mythu?
Ah.
In the next few minutes, a cop is gonna knock on a door.
What are you talking about?
Oh, God.
O, sbia?
The cop guy says that he was close to your father. He says he was there when he died. This is personal for him.
What are you talking about? My dad had a heart attack, sicko. You know that.
Sicko.
Sicko? Hwna ddim yn swnio'n iawn.
Na, dwi'n dweud volume y gem chi fyny. Mae'n iawn i chdi yn dweud volume y gem.
Ydi.
Allan ei roed o bach i fyny.
Ie, sut naeth i ddweud sicko, o'n i just ddim yn...
Ie.
Di bach yn heartless, oedd e?
Mae gyd yn reit heartless i fod yn fod actorio mor dda.
Ie.
Look, I can't
So,
explain right
William
now. Just
Dafoe
trust me
yw'r
and don't
cop,
open it.
fe?
Ie.
Just please, don't open it.
Dwi'n meddwl swnio ta James McAvoy ddo.
Can you?
Na.
How about you leave the apartment?
Are you kidding? I did all this stuff for us tonight.
He's gonna hurt us. You gotta go.
Just me. You're not gonna come.
I can't. It's complicated.
Hey, If you want a little alone time, you can just say so.
Will you
Yeah.
just humor me? Just go downstairs for like 5 minutes.
Come on, dude. Cut it out.
Oh, come on.
Ugh!
Hunter.
Iawn. Toma, dwi'n mynd i... Dwi eisiau ddau nhw'n fyw, wan. Dwi eisiau ddau nhw... Dwi eisiau ddau nhw deffro, wan oes. Cos dwi eisiau... Mi wedi deud y stwff na i gyd i fi.
Yeah. Ti eisiau
Ond
datgelu
dwi, ie,
ma'r-
dwi ddim eisiau hi
ma'r
knocked
oriau-
out. So, why did she lie about her past? Pam da ni'n trystio'r boi ma?
Yeah.
You've been lying to me all this
Yeah, mae ddim
time
yn rhoi ti opsiwn arall.
about your past, about your father.
What? I don't know what you're talking about.
What?
Well, what
Come
about your
on.
father's murder?
What is this?
Yeah.
My father died of a heart attack, asshole.
Yeah, so-
Sicko, asshole, beth arall mae'n mynd i dweud, eh?
I am stuck in a time loop, and that is how I know about the cop.
Uh-huh.
Fi ddim yn gwybod os mae hwnna'n defnyddiol
I
iawn y
haven't
holl
figured out how
time
that
loop
works yet,
thingy.
but for example,
Yeah.
I just wait and do nothing. After about like 10 minutes, it just restarts.
10 minutes? Man, that's pretty short.
I know, and you always forget everything I told you.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that. I don't know what to tell you, babe.
I'll prove it.
Yeah, great. Let's
Oh,
see it.
babe.
Wow me.
Let's see.
Oh.
The anticipation.
Oh, yeah.
If you can prove it, I mean, it'd be kind of cool.
What about the knife?
What about it?
Yeah, nothing, I guess.
Oh!
Okay, good talk.
Let me try something else. Let's see.
Wow.
What about it?
Not sure. Let's see. What about the knife?
What about it?
Oh my god!
Nothing, I guess.
Okay, good talk.
Let me try something else.
Nah.
What about the couch?
What about it?
Not sure.
Cool.
Let's see.
What is it?
You know what? Forget it.
Great.
Llyfr yw e? Ti angen...
Ie,
cael llyfr?
dwi'n methu cael y llyfr off na.
Did you ever own a pocket watch?
A pocket watch?
Ooh.
No. Not that I remember.
You sure?
Do you remember?
Pocket watch, very valuable.
Babe, I have no idea what you're talking about.
Come on, babe. It's not your
Where'd you
apartment,
hide the
babe.
watch?
Will you stop with that?
I know the truth. The
Oh.
truth about the watch, your father.
What is this? All these accusations? We're done talking about this.
Oh.
Ie?
Be, lladd hi?
Ie.
Mae'n bachan.
Ie, dwi eisiau...
Police, open up.
Is that him?
Oh.
Oh, God.
Oh, oh. That's him, isn't it?
Okay, dewch yn y...
Come on, I know you're
Llusgo hi. Yn y...
home.
You wanna
Open the
But
door.
time to get dessert.
Horses, there's someone at the door.
Oh.
Let's deal with the door first, okay?
I'm with the police. Turn around, please.
What? Me?
Yes, you. Hands behind your back. Let's go. Hold still.
Ti'n gallu just lladd e nawr? Na.
Stop!
Na.
Oh, come on.
Na, cos...
Oh, na, mae'n...
Na.
Yeah, mae'n...
Dwi'n di adael... Ooh.
Are you? Hands behind
Hey!
your back.
Help me!
Don't
Will you
move.
come help me?
All right, easy.
My wrists. I don't know.
Oh, actually, yeah, mae hwn yn falle
Yeah.
move diddorol.
Ooh.
Babe, will you tell him? This is a misunderstanding.
You're under arrest for your father's murder 8 years ago.
No. That can't be right.
Shut up. You know what this is. Now, where's your father's watch?
My father?
Okay.
Please, you must be thinking of someone else.
No playing dumb. Tell me where the watch is.
I'm not lying. Please don't hurt us. Honey, tell him.
He can't help you. Just you and me.
Garrod gyda fe, cop, yeah.
Hey, listen.
Na. Na, dwi'n mynd i adael hwn yn rhedeg. Cos, dyn ni eisiau nhw am y watch, ie. Da eisiau gwybod lle mae... Cos dwi'n meddwl fel dyn ni... sorry, profi. Am y time loop, ie.
This is a
Yeah.
misunderstanding.
Not another word out of you. Tell me where the watch is, and we all go our separate ways.
I'm telling you, I don't know about any watch.
Okay, let's just see.
Look, I don't know. No, please. Will you? Please. Okay.
Oh?
Okay.
What the fuck?
Just stop, please. I'll tell you. Just don't hurt him, please. His watch is in the...
Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh, fuck, that was brutal. Oh, God.
Okay. So we dwi'n neud rwan.
You're okay.
Cuddio yn y cwbwrdd.
Cyn i hi gweld fi.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hwna'n funny. Hwna'n mor funny. Hwna'n mor funny. Just yn chwarae cuddio o hi.
Fucking light switch.
Iawn, dwi'n mynd i'n byd. Ie.
Na, just gwylio beth sy'n digwydd, a wedyn bydd
Ie.
sgwrs...
Oedd hi am ddeud yna dweud.
Yeah. Hwna'n mor funny. Ond mae'n dda bod y amser yn mynd yn gyflymach.
Ie.
Mae hwnna'n move really cryf, dwi'n cael y teimlad.
I'm with the police. Turn around, please.
What? Me?
Yes, you. Hands behind your
Bach
back.
yn nuts
O,
i dweud...
so ma dyn ni eisiau neud...
turn around.
Ie. Pwy eisiau trio hefyd? Drygio hi. A cuddiad.
Oh my god, bydd ddim amser am hwnna, surely. Better ti bydd ddim amser am hwnna.
I don't know what
Ond os ma fe, amazing, ond...
mistake.
Mm,
I don't...
Na. Rol i lŵp yma goffan lle.
I don't
Okay.
know. You don't have to handcuff me. We can talk about this.
We will.
I don't know who you are, but I am not who you're looking for. This...
Anyone else?
It's a mistake.
Come on out.
Please. Please don't hurt me.
Na.
Anyone else
beth os
here?
mae'n ffeindio ti?
Na.
Husband, boyfriend.
Na, na, nhw'n clywed ti.
He's at work. He'll be here any second.
All right.
Good.
Just us then.
Oh.
Ooh.
Your father? A gun?
Father,
Ring any bells?
why are you asking? Father,
Come on, skip this part.
please. I swear.
Oh god.
Give me his watch.
Dwi'n mynd i'n mynd ar
How much?
cymeriadau gema dwi'n sidio. Dwi'n gysau cymeriad ni.
I don't know about any watch.
Mae'n mor fickle.
Line? See
Yeah.
how creative I can get.
Help! Help!
Be honest with yourself. You knew this would happen. There's no cavalry coming. Nobody's gonna save you. If you want to live, tell me where the watch is. This is your very last chance.
It's in the vent in the bathroom. Under the cabinet.
Good girl.
Oh, nawr ni'n gwybod.
I gave you what you wanted.
Oce, yn ôl, faint o bell hwn yn mynd, ie?
I swear.
Yeah. Yeah, just gweld y nes bod hi'n marw,
Find it?
basically,
I did.
achos...
Okay, now will you let me? What are you?
Easy now. Deep breath in.
No, no!
Oce, so mae'n mynd i lladd hi, dwi'n... Mae hi... O, oce. So dwi'n gwybod lle mae'r Okay, fel yna. Cwpan. Mug.
O, dyle ti newid lleoliad y thing i'r fent arall.
Ie.
Neu lleoliad arall. So wedyn ti'n gyda fe ar y diwedd.
O, dwi eisiau profi hi wan. Wel, dwi'n gwybod lle mae o.
O, ie. So ti'n mynd i siarad gyda hi a dweud beth am y watch?
Wel, dwi'n mynd i nôl o watch gynta, ie.
Yeah.
I didn't hear you come in. Best night ever. Guess who made dessert? Let me know when you're in the mood.
Yeah, I will.
Mae'n dweud o dan y
Ti'm yn go- ie.
Cael hwnna gynta.
Hmm? What are you doing?
Ooh.
Why would you do that? You're gonna ruin the apartment because you.
So this was her
I
father's
don't
watch.
even know what you're looking for.
Must
That's
be
it. I'm
worth
out.
a lot of money.
Uh.
Just all class today.
Hey!
Mae'n gael...
O, oce, ie, oce.
Hwnnw'n perffaith. Achos nawr, ni'n gallu...
Dwi eisiau'r watch arno fi wan.
Na, ti yn cuddio fe yn y ventilation... O na, I don't know.
Ooh, that. Ooh, shit.
Follow me to your apartment. I'm with the police.
Oh.
O, mae'n dod â hi nôl.
All right.
Ah? Pam ti'n neud hwnna?
O'n i angen cuddio dan.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What's going on?
I have a warrant right here. This will go easier if you cooperate. Hold still.
O, mae'n mynd i dod mewn fan hyn a checio, so hwnna ddim yn mynd i helpu fi ddim yn credu. Ac eto, cuddio yn y bronau, ond fi ddim yn credu...
Ydym ni cuddio, ydym ni read y watch? Do.
Yeah, go on, just roi fanna.
Help me. Will you come help me?
Well, who'll come help me? So, someone is
Space
here.
to drop that.
Hello?
This is a mistake.
Police. Come on out.
Please, will you help me? This is a misunderstanding.
Mae'n mor weird i
Look,
just
I-
meddwl ti eisiau yn y
I don't
cada.
know.
Ond falle, who knows,
We
ma.
can talk this out.
Yeah.
Don't fucking move. Now you, hands behind your
Do
back,
this.
please. Don't move.
Ah.
Please,
Damn.
listen. This is more complicated than you think. Please, just go. I won't tell anyone.
Ti'n mynd i marw nawr, ddo, dyna'r problem.
Yeah.
A fi ddim yn
You're
gwybod
under
sut
arrest
ti'n
for
mynd
your
i gallu...
father's murder 8 years ago.
Dechrau fel
That can't
symud
be right.
tipyn bach,
Shut up.
falle. O na,
You know-
na, dyw hwnna ddim yn helpu.
No.
Fucking move.
There we go, bam.
Okay, dwi angen dwy'n y watch, ie.
Motherfucker.
A hi ddim gofyn iddo.
Oh, okay.
A dwi angen mynd ata hi.
Drygo hi! Ie, ti'n gallu drygo hi.
Na, dwi eisiau siarad fi yndoes. Dwi eisiau hi cyfadda stwff fi yndoes.
Ie.
Eisiau cael dros hwn iddo. Ie.
Not now.
Na,
Okay. Rude.
okay.
Okay, those. I'm just having a dump.
Flush a chain.
So,
Rwy'r tap ymlaen, so dwi ddim yn gallu clywed ti. Dwi ddim yn clywed ti. Oh,
Okay,
dwi'n
watch.
meddwl.
so mae gen i fi hwnna wan. A
Beth yw'r mantais o hi siarad? O! O na.
um,
I'm living the same evening over and over.
Been there.
I'll prove it.
Yeah, great. Let's see it. Wow me.
Let's see. I found your watch in the vent.
What? What?
A man told me that you killed your father.
A man told you. What the fuck are you talking about?
O.
Please, I need
O,
you to
Spice
tell me
Orange,
the
helo.
I
Chi iawn?
don't know. You think you know?
Dwi'n meddwl amser really odd dod i fynd i'r stream yma, gwacha ni.
truth. Learned it in a previous loop.
I
Yeah.
don't know what weird game you're playing, but I don't want to be a part of it.
Wait, I'll prove it to you.
Wow. Dwi'n newid pwfi fo?
Yeah, nes i da... A naeth i just cymryd
Let's see.
yr oriawr na, neu pocket watch neu beth bynnag ti eisiau gael o fe, so... Fi ddim yn credu dyle hi wedi cael hwnna.
I don't like this.
Wait.
What is it?
Oh gosh.
Forget it.
Oce, dwi'n meddwl dyn ni di...
You're gonna throw accusations like that out and then forget it? No. I'm done. Man, you are just all class today.
Ond problem yw...
O, oce. Na. Mae...
Be?
Cha.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah?
Follow me to your apartment.
O, cuddio.
I'm with the police.
Oh.
Okay.
O, na, cha. O, na. Close the door.
Oh, na. Okay, dyma ni.
Thank you.
Lovely, a massive...
What's going on?
I have a warrant right here. This will go easier if you cooperate. Hold still.
Stop! I'll come with you.
Oh dear, oh dear.
Iawn. So
Oh.
fydd hi'n iawn wan.
Will you come help me?
Well, who'll come help you?
My friend.
So, someone is here.
Ie, mae'n dod i golan fan yndi.
This is a
Ydi,
mistake.
ydi. Gobeithio.
Babe, will you tell him? This is a misunderstanding.
Wan.
Look, I don't know. You don't have to handle
Yn y lle arall.
talk this out. You're making a mistake.
Pam dwi ddim wedi mynd i'r stafell arall?
Ie.
You can't
Mae'n
do
odd
this.
yn dyw e? Oh na.
Please, listen. This is more complicated than you think.
Mae'n sefyll lan na hi.
Please, just go.
What?
Tell
Don't
anyone.
fucking move. Now you, hands behind your
no.
back, please. Don't move.
Oh na! No star, Spice Orange os ti'n mynd i gwely yn fian.
Ie. Dwi'n meddwl cymeriad ddim wedi gwylio fe mor.
Yeah, marw.
You're under
Sleeping with the
arrest for your
fishies fel
father's
nhw'n
murder
dweud.
8 years ago.
No.
Oh,
That can't
nah.
be right.
Shut up. You know what this is.
Mae hi efo'r watch wan.
Father's watch.
Ydi.
Bob, please, you must be thinking of someone else.
No playing dumb. Tell me where the watch is.
I'm not lying. Please don't hurt us. Honey, tell him.
Hey, listen. Whoa. I didn't do anything.
Sure you didn't. Shut up and don't move. I'll deal with you in a minute. He can't help you. Just you and me. Tell me where the watch is, and we all go our separate ways.
Listen,
Fucking warned you.
Ah.
Oh, ti marw.
No. Please don't.
Mae'n rhy hwyr.
Stop. Oh my God.
Don't stop moving. Diddle-diddle-doody.
Somebody help.
DJ's got us going.
Sut ydw i'n cael...
I'm gonna fucking get you.
Sut ydw i yn...
Well,
Ath o ddim i'r... O, tra be? Dwi'n cael y drws. So hwnna'n... Hwnna'n...
yeah,
Drws yma.
yeah. Wedyn Kaya.
Ie.
Not now.
Okay. Rude.
Why
Dwi'n
you gotta
cau
be
drws
so
yna.
rude? Okay.
Ni fewn i yma. Cau drws yma.
Yeah, colour or watch.
Cael y watch.
Yeah, aye.
Ah,
I don't know what you should need.
no,
There isn't enough space to drop that.
that's a lie.
Ventilation. Oh, just your chwyth tipyn bach.
Oh.
That pocket watch.
Ah, man. Dwi'n meddwl sgyn mi bach yn dywyll. Oh, fuck it. Dwi'n cael siocer yma.
Me fanna. Yeah.
Iawn, hear me out, iawn.
Drop that.
Hear me out, okay?
Yeah.
Dim
Oh,
lŵp,
yeah, no.
dim y lŵp yma. Y lŵp nesa.
Yeah.
Ge, dwi efo oriawr. Dwi'n approachio hi wan. Ynddo.
Ie, yn syth i cael ei mas o'r...
In the next few minutes, a cop.
What are you talking about?
He's gonna hurt us. Please don't open it.
Okay, I won't.
Oh. Ond mae'n mynd i just barge mewn.
Yndi.
I know about the
Uh,
pocket watch. It's in the vent underneath the medicine cabinet.
What?
Listen, I know about your
O,
father.
di hi ddim yn gwybod wan.
I need you to tell me what really happened.
What? Where is this coming from?
I'm living the same
Come on.
10 minutes over and over.
What are you talking about?
I'm stuck in a time loop. I'll prove it to you.
Oh,
Let's see.
let's do the time warp again.
I found the watch.
Oh,
I know you've been
Go on,
accused of killing your father because I've been living the same 10 minutes over and over. I need you to tell me what really happened that night.
I don't even know where to start. My dad wasn't always the man he wanted to be. After I was born, my mom was really focused on me, and I guess my dad felt... It doesn't matter.
Pen Guinness.
He started sleeping with my nanny.
O.
It started my mom's spiral.
God.
Nothing was the same after she died.
Oh,
I
no.
blamed him.
Iawn. Yn y lŵp nesa,
It was
drygio hi,
his fault.
sioc i fo, i ni cael deud hyn iddo fo, ie.
We fought.
Yeah.
Nobody can hurt you like the ones you love, right? Oh, anyway, God.
Na, safon gwallt i'n awful.
Please.
Yeah. But you have block and do it.
Yndi.
Block oren.
Yeah. Christmas Eve, he had caught me trying to sneak out, and I was so mad. I just poked at him, and prodded at him, and he hit me.
Jesus Christ.
Anyway, I saw red, of course, and
Oh, no.
he always had guns around.
Nath
I
i neud e?
grabbed one,
Oh,
and I
no.
shot him. And I
Oh, mae'n
just
honest.
ran.
Ble ni
Ie.
gyd hynny?
Made it here on New Year's Eve. The Polaroid on the fridge was actually taken an hour after I got here. I was gonna
Oh,
turn
yeah.
myself in, but it was a new year.
That's
And
law.
after you showed up and wow, and things were almost good.
Yeah, loopholes of e.
Start
Os
all
mae'n
over
New
again.
Year, ti ddim yn eog.
No.
I killed my father. Never thought I'd say that out loud.
Oh
And now
my
you know.
god.
Please, talk to me.
My wife.
Will you just say
Very
it?
nice.
Nice, my wife.
My wife and my knife. Every knife now, a ti'n doing my wife, my knife. Fel, pineapple pen. I got an apple. I got the pen.
Cop told me that he was
Been-
there
Oh,
when your father bled.
Police, open up.
What now?
oh. Oh no.
No, no.
Is that him? What do we do?
Yes.
We open the door? Let's just wait for him to leave. Wait,
Na, bydd e
you
ddim.
know what he wants.
Come on, I know you're home. Open the door.
Gwthio hi, neud rhywbeth.
So then,
I'm with the police. Turn around, please.
sir,
So,
What?
yn rhi
Yes,
hwyr.
you. Hands behind your back. Let's go. Hold still.
Oes na ffordd o fel auto-skip, because...
Ie.
O, siarad i fe, neu siarad i fe.
Na, dwi'n methu.
Nawr sy'n gwybod.
Now you, hands behind your back, please.
Na, cos nes i ta'r siarad to dweud dweud, I've told you once, a tha strac y pen fi lawr do.
A ti, ie. Mwy o cyflym ni'n gallu skipio hwn ddo, o'r gorau byd efe.
Ie.
Achos does na ddim byd newydd.
This is a misunderstanding. Look,
Go on, then.
I don't know.
You're under arrest for your father's murder 8 years ago.
No. Please, no. This can't be real. This can't be.
Shut up. You know what this is. Now, where's your father's watch?
I don't want to do this. Please.
No playing dumb. Tell me where the watch is.
I don't want to do this.
Didn't say the magic.
Look,
Yeah,
Wait.
I don't know.
What is it that we're being
Don't
accused of?
handcuff me. We can talk
Exactly.
this out.
Quiet. I'll deal with you in a minute.
You're making a mistake.
Can't help you. Just you and me. Tell me where the watch is, and we all go our separate ways.
Please. Please, just let us go.
Okay. Let's just see.
You're making a mistake. This is... No.
Mynd i siarad ti.
Don't hurt him.
It's over. Unless ti'n trio siarad o fe.
Oes e?
Right. Stop. No.
Na, ti
You're
methu.
killing him. I'll give you the watch. Just stop. Let him go.
Oh,
Mae'n mynd i lladd ni unniwe. Mae'n mynd i lladd ni unniwe, de. So dwi yn... Mug.
beth ti'n mynd?
Knife. Very nice.
Mag arall gyflym.
Ie, sure.
I didn't
Neu
hear you
mae'n
come
mynd
in.
i cymryd y cyn
Guess
ti, a
you
ti
never
ddim yn mynd i gallu
guess who made
tricio
this
hi.
Let me know when you're in the mood.
Yeah, I will.
Gyflym mag? Oh, good job, good job. Okay.
Dwi'n cael dessert yn mwy o'n.
I don't have enough space.
Pills yn y dŵr.
Bills in the door. Classic. That's a classic.
Yeah. Yeah.
Dwi yn teimlo na bit yma'r gêm ydy'r bit. Ta fi'n dweud chdi, o bobl yn dechrau joio gêm a wedyn fuan iawn ddim.
Yeah.
Dwi'n meddwl dwi yn chwarae o gwmpas y fanna wan.
Yeah.
Iawn, oce, so... Ydw i wedi gwneud y gola?
Na,
Isio-
ti heb.
Iawn.
Ewch i neud y golau.
No. Okay. No. Wife, come here, my wife.
Oh, very nice.
Very nice. This is my cup of water in my pocket. Very nice.
Yeah. Mae'n dwy, mae'n dau boeni.
Yeah.
Fi'n gwybod dyna ti, na fi. Room temperature i ti. Fi wedi bod yn cadw hwnna drws nesaf i
Iawn,
crotch.
ydw i yn cuddiad? Ydw i'n cuddiad? Dwi'n watch o'n person sa.
Yn un.
Ydw i'n cuddiad? Ys watch.
Dyna'r gwestiwn mawr.
So tired all of a sudden.
Ta, ydw i'n mynd i tynnu the watch iddo fo a nid o gadael.
Oh, just gonna lie down for a second.
Mae fe'n as, though. Bydd e, os ti'n roi'r watch i fe, bydd e'n lladd ti anyway. Mae fe'n...
A, so be ddylai fi di wneud?
Be? Be? Onio rhywun arall.
Call Bumblebee.
Pwy yw Bumblebee?
Hello?
Hey,
O
I
Transformers?
got your number from your dad.
What?
Ooh.
Ask her about her cancer. Ooh.
Listen, I know about your situation. And I'm sorry for you. Cancer is awful.
Who are you? Fuck you.
Pwy hi eto?
Yeah. Call ye.
Jyst mynd trwy'r opsiynau, mae'n classic point and
Sorry.
click.
Ah.
Leave a message or just text me.
Ah.
Methu.
Okay.
Falle fi rhaid ti'n neud reset i... Na, it's dim point. So nhw'n mynd i cyrraedd mewn...
Emergency
o fewn
services.
12 munud. Oh. Tell
I am
them your
calling
wife.
to report a murder. My wife, 8 years ago, she killed her father. I don't even know if I know her real name.
Is she with you right now?
Yeah, she's right here.
Sir, move to a safe place. We're sending a unit right away. They'll be there in 15 minutes.
15 minutes? That's not gonna do me any good.
Sir?
Please, just, can they get here any faster?
They'll be there as soon as possible.
That's rude.
Yeah.
Okay, so... Dwi'n neud y gola, do? Nes i gola?
So,
No, we wait.
yeah.
Oh, mae hyn yn awgrymu fi yn there. Oh, okay.
Oh.
Oh, lights open up. I'm William Dafoe. Wyt ti'n gallu neud llais fel voice actor, wyt ti'n gallu neud llais William Dafoe?
Hey, open up! A fi ddim di gweld digon o William Dafoe.
Ie.
Yr unig ffilm weles i fe yn ddiweddar oedd blimyn Mr Bean Holiday. A oedd e ddim yn siarad lot mewn hwnna, achos oedd e really'n... Mae'n neud fel arty ffilm.
Oedd hwnna allan pan ni'n 18, na ddo? Do, mae'n really hen.
Yeah, mae'n really hen. So, dyna beth fi'n dweud. Dwi ddim di bod... Oh, here we go. Canolbwyntio nawr. Rhaid ni roi William Dafoe references ar hold. I canolbwyntio.
Be dwi'n pwynt dan on yndi? Mae'n mynd i godi fyny ac atacio fi yndi?
Ydy. So, yn amlwg ti eisiau'r handcuffs gynta.
Ydw i jyst yn mynd i watch iddo fo? A fo'n cerdd i ffwrdd?
Trio fe?
Ydw i'n gwneud cwpan o ddŵr iddo fo?
Oh yeah, gyda'r drugs mewn.
Dwi'n bod gweld o'n...
Oh, you little shit. You just made the biggest mistake of your life. One chance. Let me go right now.
Ydw i'n gwneud... Eisiau pocket watch iddo fo? Ta siarad o fo?
I was gonna leave you out of this. And now you've got this coming.
Rhaid mynd yn rhy agos, though.
Is this the watch you're looking for?
Fuck off. And now you've got this.
Ydw i'n seithio fo? Ta dwi'n rhaid hwn iddo fo?
Here.
Why
Yeah,
would
go.
I want that? And now you've got this coming.
Ond na. Ie, just seithi fe. Seithi fe'n gyflym.
Dwi'n eisiau seithio fo. Dwi'n eisiau fatha... Don't move punk. Or I will shoot. Dwi'n eisiau mynd ato fo. Fatha nes i tynnu to. Just bang iddo fo, ie.
Ie. Gwylio?
Na, gaf fi fynd!
Oh, rookie Emrys, come on, bai. Ti'n well na hwnna.
What's his fucking name? They are telling two different stories. She wasn't there. How do I prove it?
O, hwn ddech yn frustrating, wan.
He wasn't there. Okay.
Chai fi... Chai fi stabio fo. Cos mae'n siarad ar ôl i stabio fo, yndi?
Ydy.
I didn't hear
Ydy.
you come in.
Dwi'n...
Okay.
Dwi'n lycio thing da dwi'n automatically seithio fo, ia. Dwi'n meddwl fy hynna'n... O, crap, dwi'n siarad drink with this. Cyn hi...
Ond ti angen rhoi'r drugs mewn, wyt ti gynta?
Oh, shit, ia. No!
Guess who has two thumbs and remember to pay the electric bill today?
Oh, dear. Dyna sy'n... Achos ti di blino nawr, achos y nifer o weithiau, ti'n anghofio pa beth ti di wneud a beth ti ddim wneud.
Dwi am dechrau bod yn onos fach rwan. Dwi'n enjoy y gem ar llai fath yn ymlaen, cos mae'n... Dwi'n amlwg... Mae cama'n... Dwi'n cama mae'n amlwg. So fan ma wan.
Nes ti roi'r drugs mewn?
Do. Do.
Good.
Do.
Good.
Nes i'r drugs rwan. Do, mae'n hwn thing iawn i neud chwaith e. Cos dwi'n nocio allan. I fi, os dwi'n nocio allan, dwi'n angen neud y thing... Watch fan ydw.
Ie, achos ti gyda'r gwybodaeth yna nawr, so dim angen e ailwaith, os e.
Tired all of a sudden.
Do you know what I mean?
O'n i'n meddwl, ffordd o'n i'n teimlo y ffordd sy'n hwn yn goffan ysa, ti'n rhaid y watcher boy, mae o'n cael bym isio, a mae hi cael get away with murder. There's been a murder. O, beth sy'n y counter?
O, dyma ni. Rhywbeth gwahanol. Beth os ti'n agor na ei present ti?
Ie, so dwi eisiau neud hwn. On. Off.
Agor.
Ie, sut dwi'n agor o?
Mynd i'r dro. Fi ddim yn gwybod. Oes na fel... Oes na option?
O.
Beth sy'n mewn e? Baby clothes. Oh, yeah.
Baby clothes?
Okay.
O, fel a sydd o'n i'n profi... O'n i'n profi'r time loop yn barod do.
Yeah.
Time to fall my gal.
Bumblebee.
Bumblebee.
Gofyn hi am...
Hello?
Beth yw'r opsiwn ai?
Your dad says that my wife murdered her father. Can you help? Please, he is gonna hurt her.
What are you talking about? Why would you say that?
Oh.
Could you just talk to him, please? He will listen to you.
Maybe she shouldn't have been a murderer?
Wow!
Lose my number.
Wow!
Yn y byd yn dweud
Wow!
plentyn bach chi.
Capital K karma. Capital K karma. Lle dwi'n...
Oh my god. Ni 22%.
Huh?
Ni 22% progress.
Lle mae'n yna?
Pan nes i gwasgu start, oedd yn dweud 22%. Yn y cornel gweilod dde.
Mae'n gweld hwnna.
Mae yn ar sgrin fi. Mae'n dweud 22%. Mae'n dweud 12 minutes on...
Oedd o llwytho gyna. So dwi'n meddwl ti'n llwytho dwi'n meddwl.
Ydy e?
Ie. Sianedd.
Okay, that's weird.
Dwi'n meddwl.
Wel, falle.
Dwi'n gwybod faint... Dwi'n gwybod faint da ni'n di hitio... Dwi'n mynd un lŵp arall i hwnna, gwybod sy'n digwydd.
No.
Alright.
We wait.
Fair enough.
Mae'n dechrau hitio wal y fi wan, y dyn. Dwi'n digon llyfn wan.
Yeah.
Dwi'n mynd amlwg beth ti'n neud nesa.
Na.
Ah, shit, ti eisiau neud y thing?
The thing. O, fi ddim yn gwybod os ti wedi gwneud y golau chwaith.
Come on, I know you're home. Open the door.
Oh, sugar. O, gobeithio nes ti fe.
Ie, fi fydd. What the?
Person yn cysgu yn y gwely. O, ti wedi, good boy.
Da i angen neud un lle mae hi'n knocked out a di o ddim yn cael... Mae bron fatha... Dim ots... So hwn o'n, fatha, it's almost...
Ti'n gallu just stab o fe nawr?
He just passed out.
Tro beth dwi'n neud gynta? Dwi'n neud... Hwna. Bach amser. Pon y Bumblebee ar ffôn dad hi.
Oh, yes, so mae'n gallu clywed... Hwna yn proper creepy tactics fyna. Oh god, mae'n yn dywyll yn gyflym, Emrys.
What? Oh, you little
Sorry, mate.
shit.
Na, ti'n mynd i stabio hi, wyt ti?
What are we being accused of exactly?
Let me go.
Gyda'r cylle allan i'n meddwl.
O'n i'n meddwl gwn. Yn y arm, torso, to leg,
Oh, yeah.
head.
Y leg. So, dwi ddim yn...
O, dwi'n methu codi.
Sefyll i fyny.
Oh, God.
Ie, bydd ddim methu codi nawr. Hwna'n good call.
Stop.
O'n i'n gwybod hynny'n opsiynau.
What do you want?
Na, o'n i ddim.
What do you know about
Ask him about the nanny.
Who?
Yeah.
The nanny the old man had the affair with. What do you know about her?
What do you care about the nanny? It was years
You
ago.
obviously funny, you.
Oh, it was years
How much-
ago. Why do you care about the nanny? I don't care either.
What are we being
Yeah,
accused of
exactly.
exactly?
You really have no idea, do you? 8 years ago, she murdered her father in cold blood.
What? Wait, what? No, that's not true. She told me she ran away on Christmas Eve. But by New Year's, on New Year's, she was here. She was hundreds of
Don't
miles
you
away.
call a
when he was killed.
Polaroid? Or
She was. Prove it. She's
yeah, a
murderer.
Polaroid
Oh.
or
You
fridge.
don't have proof.
Yeah, Polaroid or fridge. Ti ddim gyda fe ddo arna ti, so ti'n yn mynd cael e
Where's in
a dangos
circulation?
i fe. Cyflym. Ti'n cael y Polaroid yna, ti'n sorted. O, oh, ddim fanna. Yeah, here we go. Cymryd e. Mynd â fe i fe.
I'm bleeding.
Quick. Mae hwn yn... Go on, dangos y Polaroid.
Look at this picture. Yeah. Cute pic, so.
What?
That with just my hands. Stop crying, listen up. How did her father die?
Her. She shot him. Christmas Eve 8 years ago. Didn't kill him, though.
Ni'n gwybod hwn,
Then
ddo?
on New Year's Eve, she came back and finished the job. 2 shots, close range.
Os mae fe'n marw, ddo, ydy e'n diwedd y
It
gêm?
had to have been. Look,
Yeah,
by
didn't
New Year's,
bar.
she wasn't there anymore.
Sure she wasn't. Prove it. Now untie me.
Nah. Hwn. This proves
This
it.
picture. Yeah. Cute pic, so.
O, na, falle ti angen cael ei dweud prove it.
That baby close.
And
Hey, look.
Cute onesie, so what?
Ti'n gwybod? Dwi'n mynd licio dy...
I don't know.
O, na. Dwi'n siarad.
Please. Okay. Shh. Listen up. How did her father die?
Her.
O'n i'n gwybod hwn?
Oedd o'n wyn ddo.
It was someone else. It had to have been. Look, by New Year's, she wasn't there anymore.
Sure she wasn't.
O ie.
Prove it.
Nawr roi ei hi.
Ydy goriad? House
O,
keys.
fan'na, y book. Dangos y book. Dangos y book yna.
Bleeding. Those pills are
Mae
strong.
rhywbeth yn y llyfr yna, rhaid bod e i hi. Here we go.
Here.
Why would I want that?
Yeah, cwestiwn da, actually.
Yeah, sorry. Sorry, Ellis.
Come on.
Na chi. Wai, na. Dwi'n poeni am circulation y boi yma. Os all llun arall yma?
Falle oedd opsiwn ei eraill ar y fridge.
Oh, fuck. Oh,
Fridge.
Bleeding.
Pudding. Clutching at straws fan hyn tipyn bach.
Aye.
Pudding. Beth yw ha?
Beth am os cod.
think you got
Oh,
murdered.
God. Think you got an artery.
Stop crying. Listen
Oh
up.
god. Oh, rhoi baby clothes ar y coes fe hon yn
Why
nuts.
would I want that?
Okay.
Slapio'r gweidi.
Na,
Slapio'r gweidi.
dwi ond yn gallu...
O, dim ond un peth. Dwi'n siŵr beth i'n neud nawr. O, pam ti ddim yn...
Sydd y coed arall na?
Na. Trio ffonio'r merch yna o flaen e fel dwedais ti. Ffonio Bumblebee.
Ffôn.
A
Think you got
cael ei siarad.
Hey, sorry, I can't talk right now. Leave a message or just text me.
Wait, but.
Ah, sugar.
Oh, God damn it.
So, fi yn teimlo fel...
New Year's Eve. 8 years ago. Wait, the cops said the old man was killed on New.
Falle ti angen siarad gyda hi
Ie.
i esbonio bod hwnna'n fel tystiolaeth.
Yeah, I will.
Ond, bendan chi angen drygio hi. Fi'n teimlo fel, does dim really angen...
Dwi angen fo. Dwi angen fo. Cuffed up a hi ddim knocked out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pocket watch.
Right. So...
Dwi'n iwsio pocket watch I profi fod stuff yn bodoli.
Mae ti ddim di drygio hi wyt ti eto.
O! Dwi'n gwybod beth sy'n hwnna'n do.
Huh?
Dwi'n gwybod am y baby clothes.
Oh, yeah, baby clothes, yeah, ti'n gallu siarad I hi nawr. Ond gwylio, ry hwyr.
Not gonna work.
O'n i'n misio doci allan to ma'n just siarad fi rownd yma is.
Okay. Okay.
I'm living the same
Oh, yes,
evening
yes, yes,
over and
yes.
over.
Been there.
Okay, okay.
Look, I know how your father died. How he really died.
Oh.
I don't know what you think, but you better.
It was Christmas Eve. He caught you sneaking out. He hit you.
How could you?
I couldn't, right? You told me in a previous loop.
Dwi dal yn coelio fo, sy'n rhaid gyda.
Look, I'm on your side.
On my side? Oh God, look, I didn't know how to tell you. Please, talk to me. Will you just say something?
So then... And in the next few minutes, the cop is going to be at the door.
He's how you
Whoopie got to it.
Dad?
Yes. Cop told me that he was there when your father bled out. I guess they were close.
Fuck. What do we do?
Heddiw.
Trust me, just don't open the door.
Okay.
Ond ti angen mynd mewn stafell arall.
How'd you get the watch?
Fucking watch. It was my mom's. Your grandfather actually made it. It was gonna pass down to me. Well, I guess it did, didn't it?
Hey.
After I shot him, I wasn't thinking. It was there and I just grabbed it. I hate that thing so much, but it's all I have left of them.
Why'd you try and sell the watch?
We needed the money for them. I'm pregnant.
O'n i'n gwybod na? O, mae'n gwybod, dwi'n gwybod.
What?
I'm pregnant and my
Yeah.
whole life is falling apart.
You're pregnant?
Yeah. Surprise.
O'n i'n gwybod na?
Do this.
Yeah.
Wait.
Na, pedwar eich gael allan. Dwi'n neud, ydw i'n cuddiad?
Wel, mae'n mynd I ffeindio ti os ti yn cuddio anyway.
Gynnal be mae...
So mae cuddio ddim yn helpu.
Cuddiad bod tro'n helpu.
Yeah, but ti'n gwybod, ar ôl pwynt, mae fe'n dod I chwilio.
Ie.
Dwi ddim yn neud y thing golau, a bydd e yn eventually yn ffeindio ti a lladd ti. Hwna'n swnio fel Taken.
A noise, and I'll break your arm. Back
I
inside.
don't know who you are.
Ah.
I'll find you.
Dwi eisiau deitha hi cuddiad efo maes. Eisiau opsiwn yna.
Thank you.
What's going
Nah.
on?
I have a warrant right here. This will go easier if you cooperate.
O, crap.
Mae'n yn gwahanol, though.
Hold still.
All right. Let's.
Ma waff.
Will you come help me?
Na.
Very
Who'll
nice.
come help you?
No.
My wrists.
So, someone is here.
I don't know what. This is a
O,
mistake.
beth os ti jyst yn cael y callell yn syth? Neu'r...
Na, mae'n gallu overpower a fi.
Will you tell
Ah,
me?
yeah.
This is a
Yeah, mae fel
misunderstanding.
Taken.
Look, I don't know.
don't have to handcuff me. We can talk this out.
Mae'n dod I ti nawr, a ti'n mynd I
You're
marw.
making a mistake. This is...
Nes I gael y drws, tyma ddo.
You can't do this.
Okay.
Please.
Ond bydd e dal yn dod I ti, edrych, mae'n
More
dod I ti
complicated
nawr.
than you think.
Bydd e'n cau y drws yna. Oh?
Please, just go.
Ie,
I
si,
won't
mae'n mynd I
tell
dod I ti.
What? Don't fucking move.
Now you, hands behind your back, please.
Don't move.
Hey, it's okay, it's okay. I'm not resisting.
Gyda'r ffaith bod gyda ti cyllell, oes na ffordd o ti cael gafel ar hwnna a just dad...
You're under arrest for
Yeah.
your father's murder 8 years ago.
No. Please, no. This can't be
There
real.
we go.
This can't be.
Shut up. You know what this is. Now, where's your father?
Just pretend bod ti dal yn... Love it. Oh, you...
Guy's a goddamn ox.
Uh, Cael y dessert allan falle.
Rhywbeth.
Drygio hi gyda'r...
I
O na.
didn't hear you come in.
Dim
Not
point.
now.
Dwi'n gwybod ti'n lyca hyn. Dwi'n gwybod ti'n lyca hyn.
Ie, na fi ddim.
Hey, hon?
Ond, hear me out.
Sorry, I'm sorry. So sorry. So sorry. I'm so sorry.
Na fi ddim yn licio fe. Nutter.
Na, gwrando na fi, mae o'n... There's a method to my madness. Iawn.
Jesus Christ. Psycho.
Ydw i'n gallu cloi y drws?
Hwnna'n hilarious os ti'n gallu. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Dwi wedi stabio di... Okay.
Game over, guys.
Ydw i heb di cloi y drws o gwbl?
Ma' hwnna'n funny. Ma' hwnna'n mor funny achos nawr...
Dwi eisiau gweld os gallu dod fewn...
Gyda'r drws wedi cloi, ydy gyda un o'r thing battery
Ie.
cams
Dwi eisiau gweld os gallu dod fewn i'r tŷ fan.
Hwnna just hollol nuts.
Fe dwi'n yn y cwpl dillad a dwi'n just ddim yn gaig fi.
Ie.
A wedyn sydd o'n dwi'n gallu cloi drysa.
Ie. Just... Y thing yw, ti'n gwybod beth dyle ti wedi wneud? Drygio hi, dwy'n allwedd a cau y drws.
Open the door.
So simple.
Dwi eisiau gweld be mae hyn yn...
Ie. Okay.
I have a warrant. Open up.
No.
Na, ie.
Open the door now or I'll kick it down.
Okay.
You asked for it.
Oof.
Ma'am.
Gallu ti wedi lladd hi, ond cael y thing golau hefyd.
O, mae'n mynd i weld fi'n y fama, yndi.
Fucking
See?
light switch.
Na, ond os bydde ti wedi cael y light switch hefyd, bydd e wedi cael ei knock o mas, so bydd hwnna wedi
Oh,
fwy o
yeah.
posibiliadau. Dod i ti nawr. There we go. Yn dod i ti.
What the? Don't move.
Gan i o... Gan i o beth sy'n digwydd yma, man.
Yeah.
Holy, what did you do?
Ach, dwi'n lladd i ni, we?
You murdered her. You're gonna go down for this. Unless, maybe I can help you.
Ooh.
Was accused of her father's murder. She's got a pocket watch, it's evidence. Tell me where it is. Maybe I can make this go away.
Mae'n
Wel,
tricky achos ti yn gwybod beth mae awr.
na reid y watch iddo fo, a wedyn, os dan lladd fi, dwi'n gwybod he's totally evil, and it's all about the pocket watch.
Okay.
Dwi'n meddwl, os di o'n lladd fi fan, ie, dwi'n meddwl bod o'n met efo dad hi o gwbl, na mynd i gael tip-off.
Yeah, bod e'n werth miliynau o bwyd.
Ie, neu o'n cassette, ie.
Yeah. I know where it is. I have it here with me. Just take it and leave us alone.
There we are.
Mae'n mynd i lladd e.
Thank you for understanding why it needs to be this way.
Gweld? So ti'n gwybod hwnna nawr.
Ie. So, pan mae wedi cael ei watch, mae dal sy'n lladd pob.
Yeah, so it's dim point helpu fe.
All right, it's getting easier. He won't listen to us. How do I make him listen? Who would he listen to?
Bumblebee!
Bumblebee. There we go. There we go. Ond, dwi'n teimlo mae rhaid i chi knock fe mas, though. So,
Dwi'n mis ti neud hynna, ddo. Dwi'n mis ti cael yr...
Huh?
Hello?
Hey, your dad says that my wife murdered her father. Can you help? Please, he is gonna hurt her.
What are you talking about? Why would you say that?
Ti di neud say your wife is innocent o'r blaen wyt ti?
Do?
A ti di dweud no.
Oh, ie.
A oedd hi...
I'm trapped in a time loop and I can't figure out.
Okay. So, bydden ni ddim...
Not now.
In the closet.
Oh, baby. Ond beth... Yeah, ti bron... Credu ni'n agosach, ond dyle ti neud y switch thing?
Switch be.
Yr unig
Be.
peth bydden ni wedi newid fanna, oedd cofio y switch, so pan mae fe'n mynd mewn i'r ystafell,
Ie.
mae fe actually yn cael ei...
Ydw i'n nocio hi allan o'n?
Na.
Dwi wedi cael o. Dwi wedi cael o. Reid y watch yn ventilation shaft. Osh. Ydw i'n nocio allan, yes, dyn o?
Na.
Na, iawn, oce, dwi ddim yn nocio allan. Na. Ta be? Oc'n out the door. Walking out the door.
Fi yn teimlo fel mae rhaid... O ti ar y trywydd cywir, ond nes ti anghofio wneud light switch trick. Achos bydd hi wedi marw, bydd e wedi dod mewn, chwilio, a bydd e'n knocked out hefyd. So, wneud y switch now, y light switch gynta.
Ydw i'n nocio allan?
Na.
I didn't.
Not now.
Okay.
So dwi ddim... So mae hi'n aros yn effort o'n i gyd.
Yeah. Achos... Dyna ni. Nawr, ni ddim angen neud y dro.
Da eisiau hi gwybod mewn time loop.
Okay. Oh yeah, proof of that. Yeah, okay. Cymryd baby clothes.
So, cael drws na.
Clean that closet.
Close the door. Ti'n siŵr dwi'n eisiau drygio hi?
Wel, beth yw'r benefit o drygio hi?
Drygio hi? Ti eisiau fi lladd i wan?
Fi eisiau ti lladd hi, a wedyn ti cuddio, so bydd y boi yna yn...
O! Oce. Dwi'n meddwl dwi'n un wavelength o'ch rhan.
So wedyn pam mae fe'n chwilio amdano ti, bydd e'n knocked out, bydd hi wedi lladd, so ti yn y driving seat wyt ti, achos...
So, dwi wedi reid golon off rhan do.
Yeah. Ti ddim wedi cael y drws i wneud hwn, so sa'n siŵr os bydd e'n problem neu beidio. A roi pocket watch fan'na fa?
Am yna. Oce. Chdi eisiau lladd i'r tymor dim y fi.
Honey.
Mae'n sic.
Mae'n sic. Gwybod bod ti'n neud hwn, ond...
Hey.
Datblyg.
It's okay, it's okay.
Iawn, cael drws. Cael drws. O, ddod wedi ffynd y cops let away.
Pam?
Dwi'n teimlo na cops yn dod reit yn diwedd ydy'r thing.
Ydy e?
Dwi'n teimlo.
Okay.
Emergency services.
Listen, I'm stuck in a time loop.
Stabbed your
and
wife.
Sir,
Nah,
this-
tell him you stabbed your wife. There we go.
I
Tell him stabbed your
Okay,
wife.
apply pressure.
she's dead.
Stay where you are. A unit.
She's
Officers will be there shortly. They should be there in 15 minutes.
Yeah, that's great. See you then.
Oh my god.
Hwna'n sick. Cau y drws.
So fi dwi'n neud? Dwi'n hyn da. Dwi am neud.
Oh, lock. Yeah, on point. Yeah, ti heb trio'r cyfuniad yna. Ond dylid na, cael popeth allan o'i...
O na, mae
corff.
Fel a.
Na, cael popeth allan o'i corff hefyd. Mae stuff arni hi, fi'n credu. Yeah, doi peth yna. Pigan o fyny. Falle,
Why
oes
book
modd
a
agor y
meditation?
llyfr?
Are you booking meditations?
Why book a
Okay,
meditation?
fine.
Oh, these are for the front door.
There we go. Cau y drws.
Dwi'n bothered os di cael... Dwi'n bothered os dwi'n cael dal o'n na.
Na. Na, achos mae e'n mynd i clicio'r switch a...
O, fi
go lawr.
time skip, ie.
Ie, yn union. Zaros.
No, we wait.
There we go.
Police, open up.
Dwi'n ti'n agor drws?
Bydd e'n cicio fe lawr achos ti di...
Ie, dyma rili Dyma rili arch yna di.
Ond gadw e neud e.
Come on,
locked.
I know you're home. Open the door. Don't fucking move. Okay, you're under arrest. Don't move.
Na, nid dyna beth o'n i'n dweud. Mae rhaid ti cuddio, so oedd e'n clicio'r switch a oedd e'n cael ei electrocuto.
Ie, dwi'n deitha fo lle mae watch rhan.
Aw.
Mae watch yn y bedroom rhan, yn y ventilation.
Holy,
Ddo eisiau cael y gola on.
Oh, yes.
murdered her.
Yeah. okay, okay.
Maybe I can
So fi?
Your wife
Yes.
accused of her father's murder.
Oh,
So fi?
da iawn.
Watch its evidence. Tell
Yeah,
me
yeah,
where
yeah.
it is. Maybe I can make
Yeah,
this
yeah.
go away.
I know
Yeah.
the watches.
I know where it is. It's inside the vent in the bedroom. Just take it and
I am.
leave us alone.
Let's hope it's there for your sake.
Oce, so pan mynd hynna?
O, cael castell i yn thing chi na'n.
Dy golan, ie? What?
Pam wnaeth e ddim roi'r golau ymlaen? Dyna pam o'n i'n meddwl o rhaid I ti cuddio.
Thank you for understanding why it needs to be this way.
Mae'n mynd I lladd ti nawr. But, os bydde ti wedi cuddio...
Mae'n ffeindio... Mae cuddio ti eventually fe yma bod tro.
Ie, ond oedd un ble oedd e wedi flicio fe, a oedd e wedi dweud, oh, god damn it, that shocked me.
Mae'n hanner nos, fan. Ydyn ni un rownd eich, cos dwi'n gwybod beth i'n drio, fan.
Go on, un arall.
Dwi am nocio hi allan.
Fel o'r addicts ni. Ond, ie...
Dwi eisiau goffan y gem ma, ond dwi'n mwyn gwybod os dwi'n joio fo. I'm gonna be honest.
No.
Dy stori hyn yn cweit yn unravel o fatha... Fatha un o Jenks, de.
O, Jenks yn perffaith. Game perffaith.
Dwi'n meddwl, ti'n be? Dwi'n meddwl oedd o, ia. Dwi'n...
No, honestly, o'n i'n siwr, oedd gyda fe popeth. Mae hyn ar y verge o bod yn really rwystredig.
Yndi.
Polaroid, mae'n point. Ie, cael y Polaroid.
Iawn, oce. Dwi'n meddwl eisiau siarad efo hi, wedyn fi drug juice iddi.
Drug juice.
Ys ydy drug juice ddim yn thing mwy o pobl yn dweud.
Ie. Na, maen nhw'n dweud... Date rape
Be?
juice. Na. Beth nhw'n galw... Spiked.
O, ie.
Spiked. Ie, diod.
Where are the... Okay, na, ti'n be? Na, miss, gyd i ddisgwyl dy glasses.
Ie.
Ti'n dweud, de? O...
All in all, it's just
I wasn't expecting a storm tonight.
I think storm yn thing, yndi?
Yeah.
Okay.
Neu just bluff yw e.
In the next few minutes, a cop is gonna knock on.
What are you talking?
The cop, he's gonna accuse you of killing her.
What? My dad had a heart. He's
Ah!
The cop guy says that he says he was there when he died.
What are you talking? My dad had a heart attack.
Ah, mae'n just yn rubbish.
So,
Nanny.
father's affair. What happened?
What affair? I don't know about any affair. But thank you.
Eh?
His
Nanny.
Ah.
Affair with the nanny. What are you talking?
Ah.
You're scaring me.
Oh,
And
God.
now all these questions about how my dad died. What the fuck is wrong with you? I'm done with this.
Oh!
You have more questions? Find someone else.
Mae'n mynd I lladd y scenario. Unless ti'n lladd
I
hi
don't
right
need
now,
this
na
right now.
joke.
I'm out.
So, dwi ddim yn gallu gadael. Babe? Babe? Babe, fi eisiau lladd ti. Alright, there's no point.
Na. Sut ydyn ni wedi orffan? Dwi eisiau dod nôl, dwi eisiau gwybod sut mae'n gorffan.
Yeah.
Dwi... yn walkthrough efo.
Oh!
So na.
I don't know. Mae dibynnu, achos does gen I ni ddim syniad o faint mor hir neu faint mor agos ydyn ni, mae'n risg yn diwe, achos falle But, yeah, don't know. Ond beth yw'r likelihood o ti eisiau dod nôl i chwarae hwn? Achos o be fi'n teimlo, fi'n cael y vibe bod chi really ddim yn joio fe. So...
Dwi'n darllen y...
A bydde...
Yeah.
Don't know. Os dyna'r scenario, yeah, just walk through fe. Os ti ddim eisiau ail yn y game yma rhywbryd arall, may as well rhoi pawb mas o'i misery.
Ti eisiau cael ymlaen, sut ti'n teimlo am y gem? Wyt ti wedi... Wedi bod yn iawn, ond...
I fyd...
Oedd yn enjoyo cychwyn, de?
Y problem yw, does na ddim cymeriadau chi'n hoffi digon i poeni am os nhw'n marw neu beidio, so...
Ie. Sy'n mynd cymryd... Dwi'n mynd i swnio'n afiach fan. Dwi'n mynd poeni os ti'r trin nhw'n marw yn diwedd.
Na, a mae hwnna ddim yn arwydd da, achos ti o leia angen un cymeriad, chi'n teimlo rhywbeth tuag at, neu... I don't know, maen nhw bach yn ble.
Ie, dwi'n meddwl dwi'n mynd i darllen... Dwi'n mynd i watcha rhywun i playthrough iawn yn efo. Mae yna walkthrough dwi wedi ffindio yma, lle mae'n dydych chi union cama. Ond be mae'n edrych fatha, ti'n gallu dweud cama out of sync.
Oh.
Which dwi'n meddwl beth sydd wedi digwydd i ni fe yma.
Falle.
Dwi'n ysdi, starting, you can select the window to tell it... Oh! Tia. Un lwp arall. Un lwp arall. Dwi... Lock.
Oh, so hi ddim yn dod nôl, yeah. Ma' hwnna'n dda.
Na. Na fel da. Na fel da.
Okay.
Na fel da. Tell us.
Same evening over and over.
Been there.
I haven't figured out how this. But for example, if I leave the apartment, I immediately.
Oh, that.
No, it's not.
I think there's worse people.
Babe, babe,
Babe.
So.
Come on, babe.
Again.
Dwi eisiau profi. Sut dwi'n profi?
Look, I know how your father, how he really died.
I don't know what you think.
It was Christmas Eve. He caught you sneaking out. He hit you.
How?
Oh.
I couldn't, right?
Oh.
You told me in a previous loop.
What?
Look, I'm on your side.
Ti'n beth dwi'n rhai fi cael.
Look, I didn't know how to tell you. Please, talk to me. Will you just say something?
Mae hwn yn mynd i bod yn bwysig nawr. Beth ti'n neud nesaf?
I wanted to tell you.
Ynddi.
Window? Fe dyma beth maen nhw'n cynghori chi neud. Window.
I know it doesn't matter, but I am.
O'n i ddim yn gwybod bod ffenest yn hyd yn oed yn
Will you just
opsiwn.
say something? Anything? I can't take this silence.
So then. And in the next few minutes, the cop is going to be at the door.
He's how you found out about my dad?
Yes.
Ie, cael y ffenest i hi mynd mas o'r ffenest, o fe?
Oh.
O, dyl ti di agor y ffenest a dweud ewch mas trwy'r
Trust
ffenest.
me, just don't open the door.
Okay.
Oh, God. Uh-oh.
Talk about past.
You didn't kill him.
What?
When you shot him, he survived.
No, that can't be. I saw him. He was bleeding.
Babe, he didn't die. He was gonna recover. Then somebody else came in and killed him on New Year's.
Somebody else?
But it wasn't you. You weren't there. The Polaroid on the fridge, that proves it.
All this time.
He was close to your father, and when your dad died, it really hit him hard.
Yeah. I need to sit down.
Na, ewch i ffenest, agor y ffenest.
Dwi'n meddwl ti'n ffenast e. Dwi'n hanner allan walkthrough an.
Okay.
This is too much.
Oh.
And some
Ti'n
cop
colli
guy
amser.
is coming? Okay, we'll tell him the truth.
Dwi'n dwi'n anything.
He has to.
Na, fi ddim yn credu, mae fe'n nutter. Ti just eisiau'r oriawr.
My whole 8 years, I thought.
Bumblebee? Yeah, I'm not sure.
I thought he was dead. If I had known. Sorry, this is just. Jesus.
Jesus.
Your nanny. What do you remember about her?
My nanny? I was like 2 years old when she left. I never
O
even
falle
knew her
y
name.
nani wnaeth lladd e. A Marian.
Dwi'n gwneud beth o'n The topics, previous topics. You're gonna...
So then, who killed him?
Hello?
Hey, your dad says that my wife
Heard
murdered
his
her father.
murdering?
Can you help? Please, he is gonna hurt her.
Trust you.
What are you talking
If I'd
about?
known he was alive,
Why
I
would
could
you
have
say
done
that?
something.
Listen, my wife is
I
innocent,
could have
but
stopped
your
it.
daddy, he won't
I
listen to
guess.
us.
I don't
I
know what
mean,
you're talking.
He doesn't have the whole
good
story.
news?
Please, could you just tell him to listen to
it?
us?
No, why would?
Please,
That's
he's
the secret.
making a big mistake.
That's the
You can help him.
skeleton.
I mean,
And now that
Ooh.
you know it, I
fine.
mean,
Okay.
if you'll
Fine,
still
okay.
love me, you can start fresh. Clean slate.
No way. Oh my god.
I've never been able to say that out loud before. So,
Oh
thank you
god.
for listening.
O, dyma ni.
Hey, Bumblebee. What's up?
Okay, dys i siarad bod dim efo hi wan.
But you,
What do you...
why'd you lie to me all this time?
Honey?
I mean, how was I going to tell you? Hi, nice to meet you. By the way, I killed my father.
Threatened?
I didn't want to get close to anyone, but you were so persistent.
Listen to
God.
I guess I just wanted to believe I was who you thought I was.
Oh, okay. I'll listen to him, but honey...
Guess that's over now, huh?
Yeah.
Oh god, dwi ddim yn mynd I gwrando arnoch chi.
So,
You know, I don't
Who
know.
could have killed him?
I mean, with his work, he had a lot of enemies.
you more.
It's not like he was always the easiest guy to deal with. I mean, I don't know. I never even imagined the possibility that...
All right,
Is that
open up.
him?
Bam.
Window.
Na,
Is...
let the scene play out so the...
Can we open the door?
Come
Okay.
on.
We need to
You
tell
wanna
him
talk?
the truth.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's
Oh,
talk.
shit.
Get on the ground.
please.
Please.
I know what. Wait, stop. I have something you need to see.
What did you say?
I didn't kill my father.
I have proof. There's a picture of me the day he died. I was hundreds of miles away.
Show me.
On the fridge. Please, look.
Don't move.
O pai dweud nes ti cymryd e lawr?
I'll be damned.
O na. Oh, good.
Listen, I know my father was important to you. I miss him too.
But I always thought you weren't there.
I wasn't there.
But then,
I don't know. But it wasn't me.
Oh
I'm
god.
sorry. I really am. My
Dwi'n mynd I
daughter,
lladd hi anyway.
she's all I care about. She's dying. Cancer. And the insurance won't.
Oh na.
I can't pay for the treatment. That
O falle
watch,
bydd hi jyst yn
though,
rhoi'r watch I
could cover
hi.
it all. God, if she knew
Try
I was
it.
doing this, thank you for not. If you told her, what I was really here for, she'd never talk to me again. I'm going now.
Wait just a second.
Roi'r oriawr. Ie, mae'n mynd i roi ei hi.
Ie, ond oedd yn really poeni am y dad.
Take the watch.
Oedd yn poeni mwy am y watch.
You need it more than I do.
Na, merch hi oedd gyda cancer.
Ie, dwi'n gwybod, ond oedd yn barod i lladd.
Pretty good
Okay.
at finding people, obviously. I'll find out who killed your father.
Thank you.
Actually, there's one thing that might help.
What?
Mae'n weird yn y holl scenario yma, mae'r boi ni ddim hyd yn oed yn edrych arnyn nhw.
Na.
Was saying something.
What was he saying?
Just the word monster. Over and over. I always wondered
Monster?
what it meant.
It's my brother. Oh my god.
You have a brother.
My mom was right. She was right all along. When
Aeth
my
brawd
father
lladd e.
and my nanny were having their affair, there was a baby. A boy.
A baby. I knew about the affair, but he never mentioned a child.
Oh,
My mother hated him for it. Hated the kid too. Always yelling at my
Oh,
dad about
gosh.
the monster. That's him.
I didn't know. I'm sorry.
Bachgen gyda nani.
I'll find him.
Oh,
For you
God.
and for him.
Thank you. Wow. So what happens now? Is it over?
I think it is.
Na.
Yeah.
Huh?
Now we can go find your brother and
Oh,
move forward.
I know, is it over? I know that's over.
Yeah, wow.
Oh,
I never
na.
thought I'd be able to tell anyone what happened. I thought I'd have to hold that forever. But you listened. And you're still here.
I told you. I'm not going anywhere.
Man, I really, really love you.
Really. Really.
Really,
I really love
wow,
you.
Diary.
You too.
What?
Oh, come on.
O, allan cael ymlaen.
I don't know. I just don't know.
Dwi'n i gan... To fi'n darllen y walkthrough yma. Ie? Lein dwytha fa, be dwi'n sgolio fatha i lle dwi eisiau mynd bob tro.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, while it seems like a good conclusion, it's not over yet. Mae yna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loop.
Oh, na. Oh, na.
9 loop.
Now extra.
Oh, and I can continue to go to the bathroom.
Jesus Christ.
Na, 6 loop.
Okay.
Ella'n nhw'n ôl i hwn?
Yeah, falle. Just
Ella.
Mae'n
Neu-
teimlo fel. Ti'n gwybod just amount oedd dy fi ar ôl gyda Toonstruck?
Ie.
Oedd rhaid wneud e, achos o'n i'n teimlo fel oedd bywyd fi ddim yn cyflawn heb gorffen e. Ond mae fe fel na gyda rai game, especially
Ie.
pan mae gyda stories. So yeah, come on. Nawn ni mynd
Ie.
nôl i hwn rhyw dydd arall, ond yeah,
I-
mae 10 munud wedi... 1 ar 10 munud wedi deuddeg.
Ie.
So ni'n gallu. Mi bydd e'n dechrau, you know,
Un peth na i ddweud...
dechrau cracio.
Ie, un peth na i ddweud am y gem ydy... O'n i yn cadw tabs ar gem yma. Oedd gem yma ar ôl 96, o'n i'n dilyn... O'n i'n dilyn... Dda, byd ymlaen a felly.
Ie, ie.
A... Nes i chwarae Road 96. Nes i brynu Road 96. Do, 55-ish. A nes i joio'n cychwyn. Nes i ddim joio fe'n canol. Ond o'n i'n teimlo'n diwadd nath o rhyw fath o weithio. Oedd o'n awesome. Nes i'n joio fe. Hwn hefyd, o'n i'n dilyn. O'n i'n dweud, rili ddech ymlaen chwarae hwn.
Ie.
Wel... Dwi'n falch na gem... Xbox... Mae hwn yn gem perffaith Xbox Game Pass. I fi.
Ie.
Dwi'n sbio ar... Steam fan. Mae hwn yn 1949. Dwi meddwl swn i yn annoyed yn prynu hwn.
Ond ti'n gwybod pam maen nhw wedi bwsto fe lan o fel 15 pint i 20 pint? Yw just y 3 enw na.
Ie.
Just i talu am enwau nhw, ond dwi ddim quite dwi ddim mor diddorol a maen nhw'n credu ma fe.
Na.
Dyna'r unig ffordd
Ma' 'na
i disgrifio fe.
review ar Steam, dwi'n dangos ar y stream wan, o Steam. Really enjoy the first section of the game. After the new and shiny wears off, it feels tedious and repetitive.
Yeah.
Hwna de, ia.
Ie, ti'n gwybod beth hefyd, achos does na ddim calon, ti'n gwybod y gemau ni'n caru
Ie.
sef Broken Sword, right? O leia, chi gyda bach o humor, bach o personoliaeth, bach o charisma, George Stobart, mae fe'n dweud pethau goofy, funny, oh, I couldn't do that, a ti just yn, you go with it. Ond, achos mae'r tri cymeriad yma ddim yn hoffus o gwbl,
Na.
ti bach fel, let them all die, ond, achos mae rhaid i chi mynd trwy'r loop eto, ti bach fel, oh my god, fi'n mynd trwy hwn eto, gyda pobl, fi ddim hyd yn oed eisiau byw, a dyna sy'n neud i chi eisiau stopio chwarae fe.
Wel, mae'r 3 munud gyntaf o'r un peth fo tro. Dech eto, dwi'n gael nôl y cwpa, nôl y cyllall, nôl y pills, nôl y watch, dwi'n gael profi hi fod y thing yn loopio. Mae hi suspiciously fast and okay o fod time loops yn real thing.
Ie.
A fatha ar ôl 5-6 lwg, lle bob di mynd... So automatio'r bit cychwyn na, drosodd. Mae'r premise yn swnio'n rili da, a dwi'n meddwl fel nhw'n neud y gem, os yw'n sylweddoli, mae hwn yn than... Dwi'n gallu stem.
Ond dyna'r gwahaniaeth, efe. Mewn game classic point and click, bydd ddim rhaid ailadrodd stwff ti di cael yn gywir. So, bydde ti yn just skipio automatic i'r pwynt oedd yn cywir olaf. Ond, dy hwn, mae fe just ddim, a chi'n... A fi'n gwybod chi'n gallu clicio arno fe i skipio a neud e'n gyflymach. Ond mae hwnna dal yn really tedious. Ti dal angen cerdded i'r stafelloedd gwahanol a pigo pethau fyny a neud o fewn amser specifics.
Un peth sy'n dwi'n meddwl sef wedi gwneud gem ar chydig gwell fysa pryd ti'n gwybod yr initial loop ti'n gael gwneud mae yna ticklist ar y chwith lle ti'n pwysio ticklist a mae'n gwneud yn automatic.
Fel Jenks. Beth yw'r enw'r gem yna?
Contradiction. Ond meddyliau'r gem yma iawn efo fatha notepad ar y dde lle mae'n highlight o beth ti wedi gwneud yn barod. So pan mae'n loop yn dechrau, ti'n gwybod step 1 to 10 i cyrraedd stwff newydd, I fi, pan ti'n gwneud loops o dos o, dwi'n mwyn cofio, oh crap, shit, dwi'n gofyn hyn. Ti eisiau rhyw thing yn atgoffa chdi beth sy'n ymlaen. Dwi'n siomedig yn beth,
Fi'n credu falle problem ni yw gyda cenedlaeth ni a ifancach bod y cof byr dymor ni mor rubbish bod y sgil o gallu cofio lot o stuff mewn trefn, mae fe'n anodd, right? Achos ni'n byw mewn byd lle mae popeth yn, fi'n gwybod mae fe'n hyd yn oed yn ieuengach na ni, fi ddim mewn i TikToks a stuff, a ti'n sôn fanna am fel 30 eiliad, ond falle ni'n am fel YouTube, lle mae pethau falle 15 munud, ond, y mwyaf mae technoleg yn mynd ymlaen, y mwyaf gwael ni'n mynd i bod, a fwy diamynedd gyda cofio stuff, so, I suppose...
Wel, i fod yn twtch yn groes na, beth ni ddim yn joio hwn oedd ni'n ddau ni, crap, da angen hyn tro nesa. Ond mae rhwng chdi'n ffigro beth ti eisiau trio a pryd ti'n gallu trio fo, mae o'n 5 munud bod tro. Da eisiau hyn man. Na, oce, rhaid ni wneud y thing ma dwi wedi wneud drosodd.
A wedyn ti'n anghofio, dwi wedi wneud y bloody light switch. A wedyn ti'n meddwl, oh my god, mae'n stupid. Ti'n
byth yn checkio light switch. So... so... O'n i'n joio yn cychwyn a dwi'n dweud fel yn chwarae fo mwy. Mae'n 3.5 stars. Mae lot o reviews o yma. Good but frustrating. Frustrating anticlimactic. Interesting but frustrating. Frustrating and disappointing. Worth a go. Worthwhile. My head hurts. Perfectly blended adventure and roguelike genre. Great Hollywood star acting, interesting and intriguing scenario. Perfect art and sound design. F off. Mae'n cael bawd.
Mae hwnna,
Yeah.
mae pobl yna'n probably agents y tri
Yeah.
actor neu y producer neu rhywbeth, achos bydden ni ddim yn cytuno gyda hwnna.
Dwi'n meddwl ni on the money o ran barn, cos oedd yma, good concept but tedious. Unsure if I'll finish. Fi, sgan fi ddim... Swn ni heb di chwarae bych chi hwn yna, swn ni'n chwarae hwn online. Online, ddim ar Twitch, ben yn hyn. Dwi'n meddwl, ar ôl awran, swn i'n frustrated, swn i'n di dda, sbio reviews, ydy o werth i fi just whacio allan efo walkthrough, just get a tick off.
Mae hwnna'n really drist ond dyw e, achos y pwynt yw, beth oedd yn neud y genre yma mor dda, bod chi ddim yn neud hwnna, a fi'n credu wedi methu os mae'n gorfodi chi teimlo fel na. But, fi'n credu maen nhw wedi wneud, mae'r concept yn ffantastig, ond mae'r tedium i'r maximum, a maen nhw just yn... nhw wedi myco fe fyny ydyn nhw. A y ffaith bod nhw wedi taflu mewn lleisiau actorion dda, so hwnna wedi gwella fe, yn fy marn i. Mae'n dda i gael actio llais dda, ond achos y dialog a sut mae wedi ysgrifennu, fi ddim yn... o ddim rhaid. I don't know, fi'n teimlo fel, gyda pethau cyflawn genre yma, angen bach comic relief, neu ti angen bach o amrywiaeth.
Likeable characters,
a does ddim fan hyn. Does ddim byd.
Groundhog Day game ydi o. Sydd eich di fel... ond does na ddim... Cymeriad ni, fe dwi'n dweud o, dim... Sa'n byd un thing neis nath o trwy'r game i gyd at zyn, he was a bit of a dick. Boi'n hit y Greig ar ôl. Oedd ddim clam am hyn i gyd, dwi'n byd nid efo fi, gael ond iddi fi. Dwi'n dda. Mae'r 3 ending.
Os e? Oh god. Bydden ni'n lwcus i gael un ond 3.
Dwi'n...
Mae replayability, ti'n gwybod sut oedd y game yna, y ffilm? O, nes ti golli hwnna? Ti wedi cael hwnna? Na, oedd rhywbeth ti popio fyny, ond oedd y game yna wnaethon ni chwarae gan Wales Interactive.
Na, o'n i'n mynd.
Oedd e fel book, sa'n cofio beth, ond basically, oedd e am fel occult, oedd y replayability yn y game yna, game diwetha Wales Interactive, yn wych, achos oedd e eisiau chi mynd nôl a gweld beth oedd yn bosib. Gyda hwn, ti just fel, ydy yn werth e? A dwi'n gallu rhoi fy hun trwy round arall, achos fwyach ti'n chwarae fe, ti'n mynd yn fwy fed up.
Ti'n gweld y sgrin fi fan? I'm gonna make a call.
Yeah, good call. Good call.
Dwi'n meddwl ti'n a fi'n enjoyo. Sgan ni ddim, fatha... Da ni'n gwybod ddim... Da ni wedi cyrraedd stage rhan o fanna. Da ni'n gwybod fan. So, dwi'n meddwl bod lot o pobl fel un barn ni am hynna, lle dwi'n meddwl da. Enw solitaire, that's for sure.
Oh, na. Oh, god.
Cyn i ni dweud trad, dwi'n meddwl sy'n ni fel sy'n yna... Pa gem... Mist.
Dyna beth o'n i'n dweud.
Mae Mist yma yn VR. O beth dwi wedi clywed.
Cool.
Sy'n mynd chwarae. Dwi wedi tynnu Sea of Thieves off. Gang Beasts.
Gang Beasts yn un hwyl i chwarae 4 chwarae.
Mae gen i fi Gang Beasts ar Steam hefyd. Iawn, be fi point and click nesa ni? Da eisiau dewis point and click nesa ni.
O'n i'n meddwl dylen ni wneud Grim Fandango achos mae'n rhan o'r Game Pass?
Gysau. I hate so much about the Game Pass app. Mae o'n... Mae'n classics o fe? Da ddim yn...
Dyna fe, Grim Fandango.
O fe arall sy'n
Eitha mawr, yn dwi?
Dwi'n rhaid i chwarae fo. Mae wedi bod y list fi erioed. Dwi'n ffeindio gorau i chwarae fo. Be arall das yma. Classics. Classic.
There we go.
Yy?
Wins. Yeah, nhw'n gwybod. Bydd e ddim yn am ddim reswm, so yeah. Good.
Be sy'ch chi'n galw point and click? Adventure?
Oh, ti'n gwybod game dyled... Na. Game ni dau angen chwarae ar stream gyda'n gilydd yw Ravel 2.
Unravel 2.
Unravel 2. Oh, ydy ar y PC, though?
Ar y EA Play. EA, dyna. So, mae'n EA Play a Game Pass.
Let's have a look. Game. Ond os ti gyda Ultimate Game Pass, mae EA yn rhan o fe'n, do e?
Dungeon Keeper hen, dwi'n newydd.
Xbox.
Get a Z, what a game. Peggle, what a game. Na, dim yna, chwaith Populous. No way o hwn dwi'n weithio machine fi. Unravel 2.
No.
Mae yna.
Just yn meddwl mae'n dda, achos y doi yn ni'n hoffi platformers.
Yeah.
Mae hwnna gyda lovely art style yn y cefndir ac soundtrack hyfryd. Plus, bydd rhaid i ni gweithio fel tîm gyda'n gilydd online. Bydd e'n good. Mae gyd lawr i faint mor dda mae'r Xbox, achos ni wedi cael profiadau eitha rubbish da hwnna.
Ie. Dwi isio chwarae ar gêm newydd A Way Out. Pobl Way Out. Beth o? It Takes Two, ie?
Oh, It Takes Two.
Ond hwnna sy'n fel plot bach yn iffi am divorce, de.
Yeah.
Mae o'n bach yn...
Am divorce?
Ie, cwpl yn divorsio, de. A mae'r plentyn oedd yn, please don't make my parents divorce. A maen nhw'n troi fewn i toys, neu fath. Dwi'n ei butcher o'r plot, ond...
Yeah,
so beth arall yn hitio ni fama, as in 2 players. Spirit's fair, good game. Na, sy'n
so
byd...
Unravel 2, nawn ni cael hwnna installed.
Sy'n byd arall, 2 players, allai weld yn fama.
No, oed ni gallu ffiltro fe fan hyn a wneud yn siŵr bod e'n gemau 2 players. Neu ti di wneud hwnna'n barod? Mae rhywbeth di popio fyny yn dweud beta.
Beta mae'n gael hwnna, ie.
Okay.
Number of players. Online co-op, dyn si, ie?
Yeah.
So dyma online co-ops i gyd. Grounded ydi, hynny eisiau gyda kids.
Ie, fi di cael go ar hwnna, a fi ddim yn impressed o gwbl.
Be mae fatha?
Mae fe fel Honey, I Shrunk the Kids, a fi am dod ar draws ants, ond i fi mae'r novelty yn just wear off ar ôl fel 20 munud, ti bach fel, oce, beth arall, a ti just fel, does na ddim fel... Mae'r art style yn dda fe yn okay, but does na ddim calon, does na ddim... It's like, it's a bit annoying. Wouldn't go there.
Wouldn't go there.
Dim i fi, anyway. Falle byd ti'n hoffi fe.
Ie, na, dwi wedi clywed yna.
Bach yn childish, mewn ffordd...
Farming Simulator.
Hwylus.
Farming Simulator.
Right, beth arall? Beth yw Unruly Heroes?
Ti'n gwybod hwnna?
Mae hwnna, fi'n hoffi'r... Xbox... Mae'n dweud Xbox Local Co-op, Xbox Local Multiplayer, Online Multiplayer, 2 to 4 players. Mae'n dweud, the sacred scroll preserving harmony in a world has been torn up. I don't know, actually.
Yeah.
Dyna'n game sy'n mynd i bod yn really hir. O'r screenshots yma...
Ond dwi'n mynd gadael fi apetitio. Pan ti'n mynd i apetitio? Mae hyn sy'n capan.
Os mae fel Rayman style, bydden ni wrth fy modd yn chwarae game fel Rayman ar stream gyda ti, Emrys.
Ie.
A ti di gweld e, Unruly Heroes.
Sbeth dwi'n mynd i apetitio? Na, lle mae, sorry, dwi'n sbeth beth arall. Unruly
Heroes, Windows 10. Mae hwn yn 3.54 gigabyte hefyd.
Ie, dwi'n gwybod hwnna.
Falle, os mae'n 3.24... Oedd e fyna, jyst ewch nôl pa i gael Tetris lan. Get back.
Na, diolch yn updateio. Sbia?
O, mae hwnna'n weird.
Dwi'n gallu...
Okay.
Dwi'n gallu uninstallio fo. Pwys beth dwi'n gallu uninstallio fo?
O, paid. O, cruel. Ond bydden ni yn dweud...
One fan played this. Yeah, sorry, yeah. Oh, crap, what dwi'n sôn pam. It's gonna be a Steam.
All PC games. Number...
Dwi'n meddwl bod ni'n cael that laid back Saturday or Friday night, a dyn ni'n cael hynno. Dwi'n meddwl ma fatha point and click yn well choice na rhywbeth action i de.
O, ydi, achos ti angen canolbwyntio bod on it gyda'ch...
So hwn, dwi'n meddwl hwn reit cool ni chwarae. Return of Aberdeen.
Beth yw hwnna?
Dwi'n gweld hwnna?
Oh, sorry, fi di mynd off the screen. Like, cael look at...
Shit.
Return of Aberdeen. Oh, yeah, fi di clywed... Mae hwnna'n point and click yn diwe?
Mae rhyw fath o point and click, fatha first person. Hwnna de, eisiau brynu hwn Dave release, dwi'n dal wedi chwarae fo.
Oh, right, okay.
So mae'n... Sbera graffig, na just bwtio fyny am un eiliad. Boi nath ei Papers, Please, ydi o?
Okay. Mae boi naeth neu Papers, Please.
Ond, o'n eisiau graphics fatha hen PC. So, ffordd ydi ydi, ti'n boi insurance wyt ti. A mae'n rhywbeth i digwydd i cwch. Lot o bobl di marw'r cwch. A ti gorau ffeindio allan, ydy'r cwmni insurance chdi'n talu allan i ddim.
O, ti'n sôn am hwnna, ar y ffarm, naeth rhywun, naeth Arctic lorry reversio, bwrw un o'r walydd cerrig lawr. Oedd e fel 1,800 i drwsio fe, a maen nhw'n bod yn ffynnu yn gofyn ni am witnesses a hwnna llall. Mae'n bole gyda yswiriant. Maen nhw'n assholes, rai nhw.
So hwnna dyna. Dwi'n syni ti wedi cynnig hwn.
Ie, mae dy fi... Ti o beth, mae dy fi lot o versions gwahanol Secret Monkey Island.
Wyt ti efo'r un sy'n sgipio yn un llall?
Na, mae dy fi un ges i yn fel regenerate neu cash generator. Un munud. Sa'n siŵr faint mor clir bydd hwn yn cael ei ddangos i chi nawr, ond The Curse of Monkey Island.
Yr ail un dwi'n ia?
There we go. Yeah, The Curse of Monkey Island. Ond o'n i mor hapus pan ffeindies i hwn, achos yn tyfu fyny, o'n i wedi chwarae hwn lawr draw ti ffrind. A o'n i'n meddwl, oh my god, mae hyn yn amazing. Ond, mae just yn really nice. Fi'n credu, mae cael y discs a stuff, rai o'r big box pethau, 2 disc. So, a ti o beth, glynebwy o bob man, fel un o'r regenerate, cash generator kind of things. So, fi wedi chwarae hwn a gorffen o'r blaen.
Ti di gweld beth sy'n digwydd efo...
Mae'r animation yn hwn yn lot well. Go on, yeah.
Wyt ti di gweld... Ti di chwarae Special Edition?
Na.
So, hyn... Dyma gyda sioc o hyn o'n.
Be, nhw wedi neud e mewn HD neu rhywbeth?
Wedi di version swap. Yes. Sbio cool on iawn. So, original. There?
Yeah.
Oh, shit, ddim yn mouse fi. Dyd?
Go on.
Dwi'n gadael fi wneud y byd? O, na fa. So, fydda, ie?
Wow.
O. A dwi'n dipyn o games, dwi jyst eisiau dangos un thing i chdi, dwi'n mwyn coelio dwi'n actually gael gwachio un i gyd.
Na, ma' hwnna'n cool. Fi wrth fy modd gyda rhain. Fi dal...
Gallu newid o on the fly. So...
hwnna'n nice. Dwi bendant lan am chwarae mynd trwy cyfresu o...
Dwi heb di gorffan Monkey Island. Dwi roi di gorffan y un Monkey Island.
Fi di gorffen yr ail un sef The Curse of Monkey Island, dwi'n credu. Hwn yw'r un nes i gorffen. Dwi ddim yn credu fi di gorffen The Secret of Monkey Island. Fi di neud fel hanner ffordd trwy, ond fi byth di gorffen fi ddim yn credu. Efe hwn yw'r un lle chi'n cael duels ar cwch. The Curse of Monkey Island.
Dwi'n gwbo.
Pa bynnag un oedd hwnna, fi di neud yr un hwnna, ond...
Secret of Monkey Island yn un lle ti'n hell insults efo pirates efo fel sy'n un i lle. Ie, sgo hwnna fan, fel ie?
falle.
Sbio hwnna yn iawn.
Ie.
Push F10, ie?
Oh, wow. Hwnna mor cool yn dywe.
Sbio, y version yma,
Swapio.
dos na ddim sign ytha siarad a mae'r things ar y gwylod yn dod fyny.
Oedd nhw'n siarad yn yr un arall?
Yndi.
O, fi ddim wedi clywed e.
O, iawn, rhaid fi ddangos. Ond ie, mae siarad yn HD. Pwysio hwnna fel, ie, a pwysio hwnna fel a. So, mae hwnna'n reit cool, de. Ond dyna eisiau dangos i chdi, really.
Ie.
So mae gennym fi hwnna. Mae gennym fi... Dwi'n teimlo fatha da eisiau cadw broken sword. Dwi'n meddwl.
Beneath the Steel Sky, un arall.
Mae'n newydd, allan hwnna. Na Beneath the Steel Sky newydd.
Ie, fi'n gwybod, nes i trio fe yn EGX, o'n i'n fel, ddim tio pam nhw'n dangos so nhw wedi gorffen eto. Ie, mae dyfu hwnna, oedd hwnna ar yr Apple Play Arcade, Apple Arcade. So fi di chwarae fel hanner awr o hwnna. Dyna ni, Titanic. Ti o pwy ni'n siarad? Ti'n gwybod y comediwr Dan Thomas? Ti wedi clywed amdano fe?
O, ti'n gwybod yr enw iddo?
Anyway, mae'n neud stand-up comedy. Oedd e'n siarad am Titanic Adventure. A oedd e'n dweud bod y Steam version gyda glitches neu bugs. So ti'n gallu... So ti'n mynd torri'r game?
O, mae'r GOG version hefyd. Os dwi'n rhedeg hwn wan, mae o yn effio PC fyny. So, ond un arall, wyt ti'n ymwybodol o Blade Runner? Y game, point and click.
Fi di clywed am hwn lot. A byddwn ni wrth y modd. Mae hwnna'n un y cyffroes i drio achos mae'r byd yna futuristic kind of fel cop scenario of Blade.
Yeah, spare.
Animal sales was a profitable and prestigious business. There were plenty of no self-respecting human would own one of those.
So, da eisiau dewis os da ni'n mynd i hitio Blade Runner nesa ta... Dwi'n meddwl, da ni'n dewis rhwng Blade Runner neu Monkey Island. Dwi'n meddwl.
Okay.
Dwi'n meddwl na'n good choice. Dwi'n meddwl mae Broken Sword, dwi'n meddwl mae cariad nes Broken Sword just bach gorwad ar hyn o bryd. Os all...
Ie, fi'n credu, mae'n neis... Ti wedi gorffen Blade Runner then?
Nes i chwarae fo blynyddoedd... Na, ddo. O, nes i orffen o blynyddoedd yn ôl pan fatha bod allan tro gynta. Ond dwi'm yn cofio'n byd. Oedd o'n fatha bod ti'n hogyn bach a clicio stwff. Rwy'n peth efo Broken Sword 2, dwi'm yn cofio'r ail hanner. Ond, this is the game, this is the... Actually, Broken Sword 2, really. I'm meddwl bod dwi'n... Dwi'n rhaid i chwarae Director's Cut, ddo, Broken Sword. Mae'n stwff extra, does?
Na. Wel, mae dy fi Broken Sword 3.
O, dwi efo...
Ie.
3 a dwi efo 4. Di 3 yn bad, mae 4 yn crap. Mae 3...
4, fi byth di gorffen 4 achos o'n i'n mynd yn stuck.
Ie.
Fi ddim yn hoffi'r rai lle chi gorfod
Na.
symud yn rhy gyflym a neud... Achos mae platforming element yn really clumsy ar 4 a dwi ddim yn fel... I don't know, fi'n teimlo fe bach yn anheg.
Ie.
Elfennau o'r 4, so... Ond mae dal fi diddordeb gorffen nhw, ond falle fi angen bod yn y... Tiwod, pan fi'n fwy amynedd...
Dwi'n rhaid i chwarae Sam a Max. Na. Ond dwi'n meddwl... Tex Murphys i gyd, gwir Tesla. Hwna, dy'r un... famous, the Tesla effect.
Right.
Yeah, da eisiau trwy thing. Spencer Worms gyda mi. Dwi'n cael humble. Ond dwi'n meddwl, rhaid ni ddewis. Tro nesaf, da ni'n neud laid back stream fel hyn. Either stream chdi neu fi. Da eisiau dewis. Da either yn dechrau Secret of Monkey Island neu Blade Runner. Yr unig peth wink wink nudge nudge os am DRM ar Blade Runner. So os ti'n teimlo ti eisiau chwarae os ddim digital rights management ar games GOG. So os ti'n...
So gallai just cael e?
Gyda fi, wink wink nudge nudge.
Oh, awesome.
There?
Yeah, brilliant. Yeah, please. Yeah.
So, os ti'n teimlo fatha ti eisiau chwarae fa, a fi'n jumpio arno efo chdi, mae o'n...
Bydd hwnna'n good fi'n credu, achos bydd e'n fresh i fi, a fi byth you know, fel first playthrough scenario, ond...
So, ni'n meddwl am hynna. So... Dwi'n meddwl, gyd i neud Blade Runner ar stream chdi, a ni'n neud Monkey Island ar stream fi. Dwi'n meddwl sy'n ar eid cool. A ni'n oedd o Bob yn Island neu beth. Oce.
Bydd hwnna'n good. Good plan.
Iawn, hwn yn bod yn stream reit rhyfedd. Mae'n 22... Wow. Mae'n 22...
1, oh my god. Beth erioed.
So, so rwan, da ni'n gwneud y Tetris hour. Hedwch chwarae Tetris am awr. So, strap yourself in. We're going overtime. Tetris effect. Let's go.
Oh, nah, that would kill me. God, pan nes ti curo fi, oedd e fel The Tetris Show gan Emrys, just yn mynd mewn i'r lefelau, ond i ddim hyd yn gwybod oedd yn bodoli.
Mae safon fi reit isel am. Dwi'n mynd hapus, a fi'n mynd yn ôl mewn ddo. Ond,
O'n i just yn hapus nes i chwarae columns neithio.
O'n i'n gwachio chi, o'n i'n neud beth arall ar y pryd, o'n i'n gwachio chi, ond, ie.
Ond na, mae werth i ti, ti'n gwybod yr Unruly Heroes, os ydych gwybod os ti gyda... O na, ydy Xbox Game Pass ti dal yn updateio?
Mae'n updateio'r game pwysica, da. Tetris effect.
Oh, of course. Oh, dear.
A fight. Ti'n meddwl, dwi'n dal yn chwarae Fight Simulator. Mae'r Quake sgyd. So, chwarae teg i Game Pass. Ti'n meddwl, ydy o werth... Mae'n tydio, $7.99 a month am just a PC? Ti'n meddwl, ydy o werth o? Ond, mae Psychonaut yn £55 ar Steam. Ti'n meddwl, 12 minutes, mae hwnna yn £20. So, Mist, dwi'n gwybod ti di Mist. Dwi'n mynd i downloadio Mist yna, ynddo. Hein i gyd, so. Humankind, dwi'n lyfio Civilization. Rip-off Sega, dwi'n na. O Civilization, so dwi'n mynd i spin ar hwnna, fawr. Ond, hwnna, di game arall chwarae. Game PS2, di o. ail-ryddhau.
Ie.
Katamari, damas i rhugol. Ynddo fo, ie.
Okay.
Ond, ie. So gen i ddigon o stwff ar y gweill. Dwi'n meddwl.
O, bendant. Ie,
Iawn ta.
digon i
Ie.
gael ni'n brysur.
Oes. O, iawn ta, dwi'n mynd i reid tarau y stream yma. Cos just... Cos dwi dal ar y stream, dwi'n gwybod dwi'n just yn mynd i chwarae Tetris. A na, I can't be having that.
Oh, good, good.
Ond,
Please, neud yr Unruly Heroes na, ro go i fe. Ar ôl i chi neud e, os ti'n cael e, ni'n perswadio Owain i neud e.
Owain efo Game Pass?
Ie, fi'n siŵr bod e. Fi'n siŵr bod e gyda fe. Oedd e'n dweud, achos cofio oedd e'n dweud am yr Halo a popeth. O'n i wedi cael y dadl na bod Halo yn cymryd ages i...
O ie, dwi wedi tynnu Halo. Halo yn 150 gig.
Oh, God, no.
A mae hwn, dwi dal yn chwarae lot o hwn. Mae hwn yn 100 gig. A unig lle dwi'n fflio di Cymru. Cymru a Microsoft Flight Simulator.
Oh, Simulator. Oh, right, yeah.
Ond, oce, champion. Oce.
Unruly Heroes, ti di dechrau.
Do, dwi'n dechrau. So, ie, diolch yn fawr am joinio fi hyn ynddo, ond gytid yn ddim chwarae game gwell, ond na fo.
You know what, mae rhaid mynd trwy y crap i dod i'r perlau, you know.
Ie.
So, dyna bywyd y fe. Suck it and see. Anffodus oedd e bach yn crap heddiw, but ni'n cael diwrnodau dda, diwrnodau drwg.
Ond nes i banio hate bots, so ta fe neu basio hwnna mlaen i chdi yn chat ni.
O, diolch, ie.
Ti'n cael, just like gom. Cos pigo fyny'r tags ma'n edrych. A dwi'n poeni am tag Cymraeg, y Welsh chydig bach, cos pan si dechrau stream fi, nath o ymuno straight away. So dwi'n meddwl am bloc ffolio tags. So, na fo. Dwi wedi eiriau dweud nhw chdi nhw. Iawn ta. Hwyl. O, tara i'r stream. Tara yma. Goodbye.